Hey, what's up, ball bags? This is Officer Prosciutto. I know you heard me on the very illustrious episode 1 intro of Bodega Boys. I've been surveilling these two ever since then. Me and my FBI informant, Special Agent Johnson. Listen, these two schmoes here, they're big time now. They're out there flying out to L.A. They're hanging out with Nicholas Cannon out there, doing all types of weird things with their butt. Listen, this is the Bodega Boys podcast. The opinions of these two gender fluid individuals may or may not be those of Red Bull or Viacom. These guys are Viacom. They're basically Jews nowadays. These guys. Listen, don't forget about me when you're in the G6 blowing rails. You know what I'm saying? Off of fucking Rob Kardashian's butt. You fucking weirdos. Stay tuned. We're coming back with more fire. Vote Ben Carson. It's lit.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Doing rails over Rob Kardashian. Oh, fuck. What up, Bodega Boys in the building?
Whoa!
Episode 13.
I was gonna say Caitlyn Jenner, but I was like, dog, I can't go there.
Go like that. It's your boy Desus, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Mr. 1994 in Nueva York, a.k.a. Chris Stapps for Sling Dick.
Woo! It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. I blow a line of emergency at the library.
True talk. In La Biblioteca. It's 10 a.m. right now. It's so fucking early.
My eyes are not even open.
You know what? I had a blunt for breakfast and this Heineken to wash it down. So our energy levels will rise as this art.
That's right.
As it progresses. Right now, like, yo, dog, like, oh, man. I'm about to go into the wild heroin nod and just fall out.
It's just gonna be like the Mike Francis and shit like... Sam from Brooklyn, go ahead.
Stupid comment. I'm gonna just fall asleep.
You call yourself a Jets fan? You want Ryan Fitzpatrick to lead you into the postseason? You call yourself a Jets fan?
I'm also exhausted because my beloved Knicks had a thriller in Manila last night. And they almost turned my Xanadu into my Waterloo. Okay?
But yo, the precocious neophyte Chris Stapps, came through.
Okay, he had a stupid foul. He had a stupid foul at the end. But you know what? God's working on all of us.
It was a rookie mistake.
Rookie mistake.
That's it.
Because also we got to see Melo's passing now. Melo's passing.
Oh, 9 assists.
Listen, if Melo's passing, you could take out the garbage at your girl's house without her asking you.
That's right.
We can all be better people.
That's right.
And if you hear the Chris sound quality,
that's right.
That means one thing.
We're back.
We're back at Red Bull Studios at 220 West 18th Street. Studio engineers here. We're not recording in Anne Frank's attic like we were last week. All right, there's no audio hum in the background.
No,
people are not going to walk in like, "Oh, you're doing a podcast."
Oh, okay. Oh, that's neat.
Oh, that's neat. How do you record that?
Yeah.
But yes, check them out. www.redbullstudios.com/New York. Or if you're a millennial and you don't fuck with the web,
that's right.
Go on Twitter or Instagram at RBStudiosNY. Follow, comment, and say, "Hey, thanks." And as always, shout to the sponsors: K2, and Red Bull.
K2's getting a lot of burn out there in these streets. They got the subway ads. The fucking the ones that Dr. Zimmerman gave up. K2 took that spot.
They're like, the thing is, they're like, yo, don't use K2. If you don't know what K2 is, now you're like, was that a challenge?
What is K2? What is synthetic marijuana?
We're starting the K2 challenge. All right, you record yourself doing K2, and then you tag 3 people in the video, and they got to challenge 3 people. And it's like the ice bucket challenge, but a lot realer.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Motherfuckers are fooling niggas into thinking that K2 is like some regular shit by calling it synthetic marijuana. Because you think of marijuana, you're like, oh, weed. You can't go crazy. I can smoke any type of weed. It's all good.
You know, it's the difference between regular porn and Japanese porn.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Shit gets real fast.
That's right. There's no squids in your butt.
All right? Next thing you know, like, fucking vagina got teeth.
It's a wild old dude with like a fucking mad Fu Manchu mustache, like getting a blowjob
from a nubile 18-year-old.
With fucking gigantic tits.
Then you press download.
Japan is so ill. We gotta go to Japan.
We're gonna go to Japan. We're gonna go, and we're going everywhere.
Even my mans in Japan know who I am.
The brand is very strong right now.
That's right.
You know what else is very strong right now? Some of y'all locked down because of the blizzard. Yeah, a blizzard is hitting this weekend. Shout out to those of y'all who are wearing sandals and live in a tropical location or listening to this like, I don't have to fucking worry about that.
You just hit a dab. I know you did.
And shout out to all of y'all who your whole city was shut down by 1 inch of snow.
Yo, that shit is so incredible to me, fam. It's like, yo, y'all can't just get like 4 trucks and put salt in them and just put them out on the highway?
You know what it is? Because they take the salt they should be putting on the road and they put that on the peanuts they put in their Coca-Cola because they're Bamas.
Oh!
That's right. We got more regional stuff now.
Oh!
But
also the saltiness in y'all tweets. When y'all tweet about New York.
Somebody was like, yo, New Yorkers don't know how to drive in the ice. Yo, have you ever seen New York shut down because of a snowstorm? We all, you know what? Because we're smart. We get into that center lane.
That's right.
And you throw on your hazards and you just go at like 25 miles an hour, dog. Y'all motherfuckers is spinning out. Cars is on fire off an inch of ice.
Niggas can't tell me nothing. Yo, I drove, fam, from, shout out to Mount Vernon Target. Drove from Mount Vernon Target to my crib on the hutch in fucking like the wild OD blizzard.
That right there, this is what the comments are saying. Our references are too
Google
specific.
The hutch. If you Google map the hutch and just look at it, it looks like a Mario Kart track.
Because you don't realize we had 200 individual listeners from Bulgaria last episode.
That's so lit.
They have no idea what the fuck the hutch is.
Yo, let's fucking...
You want to go to Bulgaria?
Let's go to Bulgaria.
Out there. What's out there?
Shout out to y'all. But yo, Google shit. You know what I'm saying? Use your internet. The same internet device that you're listening to the podcast on. Google all this shit. And then you feel like you're one of us. Yo, somebody
if you're
said...
in the house,
somebody
tap
said...
for the blizzard. What?
Somebody was in the comments. We was on KFC Radio. Shout out to KFC Radio. And somebody in the comments of that was like, yo, I'm out in like... San Diego, I've never been to the Bronx, but I feel like I live there because of y'all. So shout out to y'all that, you know what I'm saying? We out here like,
shout out to those of y'all stranded in the blizzard. Shout out to those of y'all that shot your shot last night and got to the person who you want to be laid up with. Not maybe they're your boo, maybe they're not your boo. Maybe you want to make them your boo. And now y'all trapped together for the next 2 or 3 days.
This is how you really know if you know what I'm saying?
You're going to learn all the intricacy and all the nasty shit that this other person does.
Think about it. One of the first things that makes you really feel like, yo, this person is here to stay is when you see them take a shit.
Yeah.
Or you know that they're taking a shit.
But shout out to those y'all that... No, because if you don't really know that person, you're going to hold it. You're going to hold...
For like 3 days? What if you get snowed in for like 3-4 days? You're going to hold the shit for 4 days?
If that's not really your babe,
you're gonna impact your colon, my guy.
You might have to do that because if you know you don't be eating right, a lot of street meat, a lot of Chipotle and shit. You can't go over to Baes' apartment. She got like artisanal throw pillows and little soaps. And her bathroom is nice. She got her little AKA pink and green.
4 candles minimum.
You know what I'm saying? And I come and I just blow it out the frame. You know what I'm saying? You know, like the World Trade Center, like on Juicy. No, you can't do that.
Oh, no.
How she gonna feel? She on the other side of the door and she just here.
Oh nah!
As she walks in,
bloop,
just the heavy bloop, the heavy bloop that the fucking the NSA hears and is like, "What's that? Are we being invaded?"
It's Sonos picking something up.
That she walks in,
got a major turd.
She walks in and it's all humid, but you try to use the Febreze, and now it's just like it ain't covering. It's covering something. But you burned a match, and she's like, "What's going on in here?" And she gonna know. And then you can't just go back into the bed and lay up. Now she gonna be like, "Nah."
You got mud butt, nigga. Get out the bed.
She worried you leaving bacon bits in the fucking mattress. Nobody wants that.
Oh,
or even worse, the reverse, because women love to do this. Women will go a full like year into a relationship and not let you hear them fart or see them take a shit.
Man, that's so
just
ill.
Doing some ninja shit.
That's so ill.
Just holding it till you go to work, and then they just blow up the frame.
Oh my god,
got that.
And then you come back unannounced, and they're like, oh, man, nervous. Oh my god,
they just set the house on fire.
It's like the same thing when you're jerking off, and your girl comes back. You're like, oh shit.
Well, it depends on what point of the relationship you're in.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Because you might just be like,
at this point, I'm like in a relationship with my wife where I literally could be jerking off in the living room, and she'll walk in, I'd be like, yo, what's up?
See, that's that.
Jerking off out here was
good. But all those new couples, y'all laying up in the bed, y'all playing house, blizzard, you're watching Making of a Murderer, you're listening to Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to y'all.
You're using condoms for the first 2 times. Now y'all ran out, so y'all just like, yo, you safe? That's
the one. Like, who has ever been like, nah, I'm not. Actually,
I got a little cough.
Yo, it's so weird because y'all say the craziest shit, man. Like, Shorty told me one time back in the day, it was like, she said, "Don't put me at risk." I was like, "Bitch, is this a commercial?" Don't put me at risk.
There's like a boom mic hanging over the bed.
I was like, what the fuck is going on? I was like, yo, what does that mean? I'm looking around for the GoPros.
Wow.
They don't even exist at that time.
Listen,
that's crazy.
Is that first weekend? Like y'all really be making a porn movie?
Yep.
Like y'all just stay in the bed, just fucking like 7 times.
Fingers all in the
only get up
butt.
to just
all
Gatorade just to get your electrolytes back. Yeah, your hair's a little tangled up in her hairs and
what?
Yeah,
you go take a
man.
shower, you got mad of hair in your butt.
yeah, just like you're just pulling out strands from
Hell
places
yeah,
you
like,
couldn't-
yo,
You're like,
what the
how you get your hair in my butthole?
How'd you do a sailor's knot around my balls?
Oh man.
Yeah. Doing all
And
types of
you're
Boy
like,
Scout
and
knots.
you're like, yo, I could do this. I could do this relationship.
Yeah.
Dude, I love it. And then,
Yeah.
you know, the next time it's not as fun. You know?
Yeah.
She's not gonna bring the sexy blizzard panty
Oh,
set she brought.
no. She's bringing the Olas that she stole from your crib last time.
Like, yo.
That's it.
Also, shout out if you had a good time with your blizzard bae, be sure to leave something there. So you have to come back for it.
That's right.
Like some shoes,
Like a wallet or a gun.
sweater. You know what I'm saying?
A G-pack of cracks.
A smeared lipstick makeup on the mirror that says "Welcome to the world of feline AIDS."
Yo, son. Yo, my man Chris was my roommate back in the day. Shorty came through to smash. So he's in another room smashing. I go to bed, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I wake up the next morning and I just see like the puff of smoke when Shorty's leaving the crib.
Right.
It's wild early because I'm working at school. I'm waking up at like 5 a.m. Shorty's bouncing out the crib. I'm like, what the fuck? I look at the fridge, and the fridge was all magnets and shit, like with mad letters and numbers and shit. And Shorty mad creepily wrote, like, Chris only uses my holes. But she did it with, like, numbers and, like, letters mixed, and it looked mad horror movie creepy. Yo, this nigga woke, I left that shit right there. I was like, yo, when that nigga woke up, I was like, yo, this bitch is gonna kill you, my nigga.
Oh, my
He's gonna
God.
come back and wear your fucking face as a mask.
Oh my god! No, I had like my boys got kicked. They had lived their situation was bad, and they were living with their aunt. But then something happened with their aunt was taking a government check, and like they moved out. So I was like, "Yo, come stay with me."
It's always the aunt taking
It's
a
always
fucking
the aunt,
government
some
check.
shit, right? So I had like a studio apartment. So I got two other grown men living with me. So I'm going to work at night. I work in a nightclub and shit. And I got a call from my super like, yo, how many people are in that apartment? Like, I'm hearing noise all types today. So I'm like, I come home and I'm like, what happened? And apparently my man, L, I'm not going to put you on blast here. Because there's like
names
the studio.
names have been changed to protect the innocent.
There's the studio and then there's the kitchen. And apparently he brought some chick through and had sex with her in the kitchen, but they used like the oven door.
Right.
And they had sex on the stove and they ended up breaking the oven door.
No.
And then Shorty was mad because I think she like cut her foot on the oven door.
No.
So on her way out, she stole my chicken box out the fridge.
Wow. So how petty. And that's not even.
And I had to call the super. And the super was like, what happened to the oven door? And I'm like, no,
Niggas broke it.
Niggas broke it. Fucking.
Niggas broken fucking.
It happens.
How you cut your foot on the
Listen,
oven?
go take your Blizzard Bay and prop her up on the oven.
Yeah.
Put her hands on
Make
the
sure
burners.
she's not on though.
Yeah. Well, listen, depends what y'all into.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
This is also a good time to show all your freaky, sexy side
That's right, 'cause
to
it
your
can-
bae and
that's
just
right.
get it out the way.
Get it out the way.
All right?
Because listen, let's do or die.
Listen, you're being intimate. You should be able to tell this person anything.
Yep.
Feel safe.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? If you like to have your neck nibbled, just say that. If you like to be choked out until you see Jimi Hendrix, maybe do that.
Yo.
Ask him about the eating the butt status.
Shout out to all the freakazoids out there.
Blizzard's a good time to explore the butt eating.
Yo. Listen, if you're not eating butt, like I said previously, you're mad immature. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah,
just
it's like
eat-
2016
It's
now.
2016. You niggas gotta grow up.
2016.
Eat some butt.
I mean, I see people on Twitter. They're like, it's nasty. I'm saying, come on, man. Like,
Come on.
it's like, it's like Snapchat and shit. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Like, at first, everyone was like, I'm not really fucking with Snapchat. Now,
This
it's
thing
like
is that
everyone
was
got Snapchat. You
they'll smoke a Newport they find on the ground, but they won't eat a girl's butt.
know what I'm saying?
Grow up.
You know what I'm saying? I don't eat bacon.
Okay.
What does that got to do with that?
I don't get it. That makes no sense. There's no correlation, guy. Just eat butt.
Listen, you'll smoke on a blunt with 8 dudes
That's
in a
right.
project hallway.
You know what I'm saying?
But then
one of them niggas
this
is eating
girl,
butt.
she's got her butt tooted up in the air.
That's right.
Smelling like cinnamon apple because
What?
she used Bed Bath and
That's
Beyond
right.
products.
That's right.
And you like, nah.
Nah, I'm good, yo.
Nah, get in there.
Cornball.
Taste that tangy white meat that
That's
tastes
right.
like a 9-volt battery.
That's right.
And some nickels.
That's why I showed this. You fuck with a bitch, and then she's like, "Yo, this dude is trash." You know what I'm saying? And then you get slandered on the internet. You get mad. Eat the
Listen.
butt.
Yeah.
And she won't slander you.
Slander on the internet is bad. Your homegirl, she was getting slandered on the internet. Yes, Jules. Yes,
Yo, shout out to her.
shout out to her.
She's
Right?
like, yo, people going in on you, man.
She's Spanish. Is she Spanish Colombian? I don't know. Listen,
I don't know, man.
I don't know.
Bitches is
Sometimes
everything.
it helps when women
Everything.
have the half bios in their
Yeah.
like their racial the mixture.
Cut out some emojis and give me more hard facts.
Yeah, but
You know what I'm saying?
they pushed up old tweets of hers where she said, she had some comments about black women.
Yo, man, that's so ill. Like,
Like why are people going? What's the obsession with old tweets?
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Like why do people feel like to put people on Front Street? Like we all have old terrible tweets.
Come on.
I know I have some terrible. Every morning I wake up and I just expect to see like 20 of my old tweets being
pushed up like,
recirculated,
yo, I can't believe, yo, this is your guy's hero. Yo, this is your favorite. Grow up.
Look what Desus said.
Dad.
Desus said Caitlyn Jenner can't cook. You know? Yeah, I said that in 2007. Now you're gonna hold me responsible for that? It's not funny. That's not fair.
Yo. People grow, man. God's working on all of us.
On all of us,
you know what I'm
man.
saying? So fucking some shit I said in 08, nigga. You think shit is proper? Yo, you know what I was doing in 2008, dog? My life was in shambles.
Shambles.
So niggas was angry.
I was sitting in a dark apartment.
Come on.
Because Con Ed apparently wants payment every month.
Fuck out of here, dog. If I gotta put 4 pots on my stove and turn around to heat my crib, you think I give a fuck about fucking internet?
You know what I'm saying?
Politicalness?
You know, we were playing like hashtag games.
Come on.
Back in like 09. You know what I'm saying?
break.
Like the tweets were worthless. We used to use the favorite button for actual tweets we wanted to read later.
That's right.
Who still does that?
Who does that?
The world has changed. So stop being petty and looking for old tweets unless they're spicy.
Beloved.
Unless they're spicy. And they talk about like secret marriages. Like your man, Jamarius Cole.
Oh! Beautiful segue.
Beautiful segue. Thank you.
I was watching curious. Yeah, podcast.
How they getting married change you, bro? Oh, what is that? See my man? Oh, you never interviewed somebody before. Is that off limits?
Yeah, that was like,
Oh, my bad, bro.
that was like, there was like one thing to not do. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. No, it's all good. It's all good.
Nobody know.
Well, they know now.
Jamarius Cole, he was exposed.
You know what's so crazy?
I feel some kind of way about this because you got to hear both sides.
Okay.
Because J. Cole, he was married. He's married now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? He got married.
Yeah.
He has a lot of female fans.
Yep.
And he was like, yo, I'm going to keep this on the low. And he didn't have the ring. And what was the guy's name? Ryan Coogler?
Coogler.
Yeah. You know, I can't close enough.
When you're popping, this says your name right.
There you
so
go.
So make another good movie.
So he interviewed him and he was like, yo, aren't you married? Which was the wild hater move.
I mean, yo, it is a hater move.
That's a hater move. As a married man, because you wear your ring.
Yeah, I do. You know what I'm saying? Because
You
it's
wear your
like,
ring.
dog, listen. Well, if you're married, dog, you can't. Why would you try to? This shit is
Like, why would you? Like, I could see myself doing that if, like, I was trying to pick up a chick,
Right.
and a married dude was like blocking,
Right.
That's the wild.
That's when you're like, yo,
Hail Mary dickhead
yo,
move.
you married, money?
Be like, how's your wife?
Yeah, exactly. But it's like, yo, fam, you can't like yo. I can't avoid my wife. I don't know about him. Maybe he's like always on tour or some shit, and he doesn't. His wife be like over there, and he'd be over here. Dog, I can't. Niggas, yo, if I try to do some shit and be like, yo, I pretend I'm not married. They'd be like, yo, who's this white bitch that keeps showing up at everything and screaming at Mero in the green room?
It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
It's true.
Why she got these little fucking biracial kids with her?
I get so nervous every time I see your wife. I feel like she's about to yell at me about some shit.
She's very stern.
She's about to be, Jesus, why you letting Mero do these things? But no, I understand. Listen, sometimes a man and a woman have an understanding between them.
A bond is stronger than
you know
a
what I'm
title.
saying?
You know what
No
I'm
one
saying?
needs to know what happens between us, ma.
Stay
All
long,
right?
build.
All right? If I told you I love you and I have a ring,
That's right.
and it's at home in the top dresser drawer,
It's 'cause
that
I
don't
don't
mean I
wanna
still
lose it.
love you. You know what I'm saying?
It's because I want to keep it safe.
I don't want you to go through these Hollywood problems, ma.
know
How
what
I'm
I'm
gonna feel when they got you on baller alert?
You know what I mean?
And now I got girls like, yo, her butt is fake. You know what I'm saying?
It's fake.
Those aren't her real titties.
Oh, my
I'll
God.
be devastated. I don't want you to go through that. So I'm gonna just keep us low, and we're gonna build and shock the gram one day.
One
But
day.
for now,
One day.
I need you to sit back.
Just chill, man.
Just chill, Bob.
Just chill.
When
And
you
call
see-
my other phone. Don't call this phone.
You know what I'm saying? When you see me on Instagram with Rihanna and other people,
You know
you
what I'm
know,
saying?
and I have underneath it with Bae, you know what I'm saying? That's Hollywood
That's
shit, baby.
Hollywood
That's just
shit.
Hollywood,
Come
baby.
on, man. Talk about the great French.
Listen,
Feel me?
you know who do I spend every third Saturday with?
Come on.
You, man.
You, man. Come
You,
on.
man. You got my heart.
You special. And then you just struck a chin like.
The wild condescending kiss on the forehead. That's all you, babe.
Baby girl.
I gotta go out now.
You know
so,
my situation.
I see you.
Yeah, nah, shout out to
Don't
my
wait
wife, though.
up.
She's great. Yo, it's funny because like I wouldn't even think to be like, yo, I'm not married. But with J. Cole, his whole shit is like he has a young fan base.
Yes.
He has groupies and shit, so I
Yeah.
get it. You know what I'm saying? Like he doesn't want to kill that fantasy for
Right.
him. You know what I'm saying? Of like, yo, because all these bitches, J. Cole is not like a yo, I want you would never hear a bitch be like, yo, I want J. Cole to fuck the shit out of me.
Yo,
know what I'm saying?
you can.
It's
on Twitter. On Twitter.
I mean, everything's on Twitter. But
Everyone's
like,
on Twitter.
they're all like, oh man, I want to sit with him and listen to like Tribe Called Quest Anthology and hold hands and eat Chobani. Like, you know, like it's just
man.
be mad cute and like Bae and do like little vines and shit.
Listen,
that's what
I
they want
just
to
put
do.
it to Twitter. J. Cole, fuck me. Pause.
Pause.
First tweet. J. Cole needs to fuck me up, but he's married, so I'll stick with my boyfriend, I guess.
Oh,
Next one.
wow.
I want J. Cole to fuck me upside down. Next one. J. Cole can fuck me up. J. Cole, fuck me. Next one.
Yo, okay. Type in Donald Trump, fuck me. You know what I'm saying?
All caps. I want J. Cole to fuck me in the ass. All right? That's why he was trying to keep the marriage low.
Oh man,
You know, that's his
he's trying to
fan
get that
base.
pussy on the low.
But
Yo,
now he's gonna get that nasty. Hey, I know you're married, but you know I don't
is
give
it
a fuck.
expected? Like, yo, if I'm wild, rich, and famous, like I'm have bitches on the side.
Listen, yes. If you're like a rapper or athlete,
Yeah.
and you're out there, you know, like it's very petty and selfish
Right.
of you as the mate to expect them to be all yours because they belong to the world.
They belong to the world, beloved.
Okay, you belong to the world, beloved. All right, what's mine is mine, and what's yours is yours. You know what I'm saying? So love Jay with your mind, ma, and not your heart. Okay, like listen, I'm trying, but you know, like you know, the DMs is
You
popping.
belong to the city.
Cause yo, you know, like it's like fucked up because you'll get a DM and someone's like, "Yo, I love you, Jesus." Like I listened to you while I was going through fucking chemo,
Oh man, that's deep.
and like it's like a wild, touching, deep letter.
Yeah.
And then you know, like I'll be in the middle of replying, and then like you know, like your girl shows up, like, excuse me, who is this with all the heart emojis? Now what are we doing? Now what are we doing? You know?
Yo, I feel like my wife is just her. The idea of her is intimidating because I don't get DMs like that. All I get is just drunk niggas. Yo, you're an inspiration, bro.
No.
Yo, your comedy shit. Yo, you come up is so ill, bro. I want to be just like you. It's never bitches like, yeah, I want you to eat my ass.
I don't. You know what? I don't even get that either. I had a dream about us, and we would be perfect together. So I scheduled a date at the Court of Justice. Please wear a tux.
No.
The color scheme is blue. My parents will be there.
That's terrifying.
Like people are just like, I could just imagine us together. We'd be perfect. I'm like, why?
You won't.
Like why? No.
Like, yo.
Nah, man.
Yo, listen, the brand is strong.
I'm married to my sneakers, ma.
You know what I mean? That's right.
It's just Hollywood, baby.
Yo,
geez.
I want to bring something to light that you told me the other day, dog, that I was very worried about you.
Please don't talk about my marriage. I told you that in secrecy. All right?
Yo, this nigga goes into the work the other day and is like, yo, my sneaker wall collapsed.
First of all, I told you that in confidence.
I was like, fam, imagine you would have been there and been crushed by Rare Jordans.
That would be great. That's the best way to die. Death by snoo and death by your sneaker wall collapsing.
Yeah.
All right? These are like popping problems.
Dog, that's
These
so
are popping
crazy.
problems. Yo, no, I walked in. I heard a rumble.
Oh my god.
And I come in and it's
5
just like,
minutes it lasted.
oh, I come into my sneaker vault, which used to be like my sister's room, and there's like all my sneakers just fell, like because you know it's getting top heavy at the top. There's not enough structural support. I need a corresponding.
You got to
beam.
build.
Yeah,
out. You know what I'm saying? Like,
listen, I'm new to this.
4, 3,
I'm new
2,
to this.
1.
No, it's like when you get famous, you don't know how to find an agent. Because
Right.
you know
Yeah,
that
right.
kind of thing,
Yeah.
and like I don't know. Apparently I got to call the guy that did DJ Khaled's sneaker wall
Right.
to do mine.
Yo, you know what I
don't
see a
know
lot?
that.
Those
I'm still-
weird fucking automated boxes that are like wood.
Yeah.
And it's like, it looks like a sneaker box and it opens up and it's Mad Future.
See?
But it holds like 6 sneakers. I'm like,
That's
yo, what's the point
corny.
of this?
I mean, if you got a big mansion like what you're gonna have, you know,
True.
God bless, next year in Jerusalem,
Put one of those
in
in,
Bergen County, you'll have one of those. Yo, did you
Put one in the
see?
mudroom.
Breaking news: Scarsdale had its first murder in 39 years.
Yo, what?
Dude stabbed up his wife in the mansion.
What?
I wanted everyone to know it was nowhere near my vet.
Shout out to K2.
So you know what I'm saying? No, he was like a rich white guy that takes the Metro North, like that kind of guy.
What?
Yeah, he stabbed up the wife, juked
That's
up
crazy.
the wife.
That should be happening though.
That should be happening.
White people are crazy. Listen,
Listen,
they
God
out
bless
here.
them.
Rich
God
white
bless them.
people, yo, y'all are special, rich white people.
Yeah, I mean, you do what you do with your popping. You know, everyone's like, this could happen here. I'm like, listen, your property tax is very high. Like,
Dog,
it's gonna happen.
It can happen anywhere. Motherfuckers get murked everywhere.
Yeah.
Niggas get died
But
every
when
day.
I saw it, it was like on Bronx 12, and it was like murder in Scarsdale.
Whoa.
And I was like, damn, between this and Mero moving up there, like the property values are just plummeting. It might be time to buy.
Yo, that's so ill. Shout out to Scarsdale.
Shout out to Scarsdale. Shout out to my vet.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to my vet.
Scarsdale sounds mad like hood, like Scarsdale.
Scarsdale, like, because if you're listening to this, you have no idea what Scarsdale is,
Yeah.
like,
So-
or in relation to New York City. It's
Right.
upper New York City,
Yeah.
near Canada.
Google it.
Not that far up,
Yeah.
but you know, it's a very nice place. You know, you can't be poor and live there.
No.
The houses are beautiful. It's And there's a lot of Donald Trump supporters, so that lets you know who's living up there.
No C-class Benzes.
But that's definitely where I'm trying to move up to. When I betray the black race.
That's right.
Cash out with this Fox News anchor shit. Start talking that Stacey Dash shit about why we don't need Black History Month.
Yo,
why is there like a white entertainment TV?
Yo, that bitch is crazy. Yo, son. Yo, Stacey Dash is crazy, fam. She's on some shit. She's on some shit. Yo, the Fox News niggas is giving her something.
Listen, I feel like you get a big enough check, you'll say anything.
That's true. Yeah,
like people think they have integrity and stuff, but you know what? Once you when you're forced to choose between a mansion with a mudroom and without,
yeah, that's true.
How come Mero gonna look his kids in the face and they're like, Daddy, we got to grow up without a mudroom?
What? Dad, we
might as well live in the Bronx,
fam. We only got one sitting room. Are you kidding me, Dad?
Just poor.
What?
Just stomps up all 5 flights of stairs to his loft.
The Coens got 6 fucking. They got a den. Dad,
their dog house has a mudroom. Dad,
their African hound has its own house.
How do we lose Stacey Dash?
Get her out of here.
How do
she
we
got?
lose
You know
her?
what she got to do? Put her in some wild competition series like Survivor and just murk her out there.
Nah, man. Remember her in the Kanye video?
That's
the
it.
Cheeks was on fleek.
Yeah.
Woo.
Somebody said Kanye dropped her off at the airport.
She never came back.
She never came back.
Yo, remember her Playboy shoot? Woo.
Remember that?
That
nigga, remember when she was on the cover of fucking King magazine? Her ass is looking like fucking a ripe peach.
Great cheeks, and they kind of up at the bottom.
Yep.
And
shout out to whoever
and
airbrush
she sold us out.
Yep.
That's man.
Coward. As soon as she started, but you see, peeped it. As soon as she started selling these out, mad wrinkles. Start aging like fucking.
That's God getting you back. All right? God takes your top lip and makes you wrinkle.
That's right. So you look like Dana Carvey in a turtle suit.
Am I not turtle enough to enter the turtle club? Turtle. That's a deep cut.
That's right.
All right? That's for my non-millennials. Shout out to Red Bull. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, shit, yo. We gotta do this fluke talk shit.
Yeah.
We gotta do this fluke talk shit.
What is that? That's like you build a plane, jump off the shit,
and fly it.
Oh my God! Why is it so early?
We gotta make the K2 fluke talk.
This is our dedication to the art. Because we could have simply been like, yo, fuck y'all. Y'all get this next week.
I woke up this morning and I threw up and then rolled a blunt.
Oh.
And then came here.
Dog,
you know
I walked my dog and I was like, what the fuck are we doing?
That's right.
I gotta go to fucking 220 West 18th Street at 10 a.m. to record this. And you know what? I felt bad, but on the way here, I started seeing mentions in my Instagram. And it was like, where's the art? Where's the podcast fam? Like, yo, calm down, man.
You know what bugs me out when I get wasp smacked and I keep forgetting that we call this shit art?
Yeah.
And there's niggas in the mentions, yo, where's the art? Where's the art? I was like, what are you talking about, nigga? Like, what? The mixtape art? Like, I don't even got a mixtape out, dog. Album art?
Not for nothing, though. I listened, deadass. I listened to last week's episode at least 50 times.
This shit's pretty funny.
I get it, y'all.
Yeah.
I get it. This shit's funny.
Yeah.
And also Kanye shit, me and Mero's biggest regret is that we will never be able to see ourselves perform live.
Oh man,
you know, just being humble.
That's what I'm saying.
Shit, you know, it's Hollywood, baby.
But we're gonna freak it. We're gonna do like holograms or some shit in the future. And like
we're actually performing at Coachella this year. We are after Guns N' Roses and before the Yeah Yeah Yes.
That's right.
So check for us.
Yeah,
performing with the Bobby Shmurda hologram.
That's right. It's gonna be super lit.
It's gonna be.
Shout out to Bobby Shmurda getting denied bail.
It's like the 50th time.
God damn.
You know what? Bobby Shmurda's tale of prison woe cuts a little too close to home for me.
Yeah.
So I feel uncomfortable.
That's what I'm saying.
Laughing at his shit.
Oh no, I'm not
like,
laughing at that nigga at all. I actually feel terrible for Bobby Shmurda because I know a lot of Bobby Shmurdas.
If that Bronx DA ain't look out, like I'd be the funniest nigga like in Elmira right now.
Oh my God, you kidding me?
He'd be like, yo, my nigga Desus.
Yo.
This nigga got mad jokes. I'm just doing one man wilding out in the fucking state greens.
Dog. Yo, when you think about all the times that you could have gone to jail for mad long or just escaped by the skin of your teeth.
Or like shit, like the cop didn't pat you down. Like just shit like that. Just because some NYPD officer did not follow protocol and your life completely changed its trajectory. Because once you get that felony, woo, the jobs are limited, dog.
Shout out to my girl Jasmine, who was with me when we were walking down Southern Boulevard smoking an L, and cops pulled up in a van, hopped out. The van was moving. Nigga slid the door open, hopped out, boom, grabbed us up. As soon as somebody grabbed me up, I flicked the L. He's like, yo, where's the blunt you were just smoking? I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. I was like, I was smoking a cigarette and I just threw it out. He's like, word? He's like, I never seen anybody blow on the front of a cigarette. I was like, how long have you been following us, my guy? This dude patted us down and missed the most lifetime felony charge that I had inside a bag that I had inside a zipper pocket. And I was like, yo, fam, my heart was in my throat, fam. And they bounced. They searched the shit, looked at the IDs. Jasmine lived right around the corner. So he was like, yo, we're going to her crib. They let niggas bounce. I was like, fam, I would have gone to jail. I'd be in jail right now.
Yeah, pretty much.
You know what I'm saying?
Pretty much. No, growing up, like we used to call guns belts because you won't leave your house without a belt.
Right.
So we would go to like, here's a deep cut for you. Do you guys remember a diner in New York City called Around the Clock over by NYU?
Whoa.
See, to us, we thought that was like fucking noble.
Yeah.
Coming from the Bronx.
Mad fly.
So we'd go down there, but every time, like my boys was nervous, so they'd always bring the burner. Not one, like several burners or whatever. But I think this time it was just like one. So we're coming back. We ran up like a $400 bill. We're credit card scamming, whatever. So we're walking up the street. And my man's little brother, his little 8-year-old brother, met us at the train station because he just wanted to hang out. And the cops ran up on us. And my man slid the burner to his 8-year-old brother because he knew the cops was going to pat down his 8-year-old brother. That's how dusty and dirty I used to be. But only through the blood of Christ.
That's right.
Have I been saved.
Who's He got the little smoky thing right now with the water shaker.
So be sure when I open the first annual Church of Jesus Nice.
That's right.
And I got the ATMs.
That's right.
That don't distribute money.
Car better have a chip.
And I shame you in front of everybody. And I'll be like, Sister Johnson, I'm sorry. Apparently, Jesus didn't get your money this month.
Oh.
We are light on your tithe. Would you please come up in front of the congregation and explain? Just in front of my 300,000 people. And I'm on a hoverboard doing the Quran, reading Deuteronomy 4:2. It's going to be lit, man.
Super lit.
It's going to be lit. I'm going to have like motivational books. I'm going to have those fucking racist teeth. Like too big and I can't close my mouth.
I'm gonna do some shit. I'm gonna come through with.
Come through, because you gotta talk to the people in Spanish.
That's right. I'm gonna do with the acoustic guitar like Santo, Santo, Santo.
I'll be like, here is Brother Mero. He has returned back from his global ministry, preaching in Peru.
With the fucking guitar and shit.
Yeah, we're gonna have white people on there. I'm gonna have
so lit.
I'm gonna have the prettiest
That's
white
what
wife.
I'm gonna do. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do.
And not because I hate black women,
No.
but because I want to be on the 700 Club.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
My son Joel Osteen.
Oh, it's gonna be great. I think. Unfortunately, I had to ride on a JetBlue plane. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John have never had to ride in economy, so we need a G7 for Pastor Desus. I'm not even passing a collection plate.
No.
I'll pass it with those like square credit card scanners.
Scammers welcome.
Please reach deep in your heart, and when you swipe your card, swipe it as debit, not credit, so I'll avoid the fees.
Shout out to all the credit card scammers. Shout out to all the check scammers.
Shout out to credit card
You know
scammers.
what I'm saying? That is a victimless crime, B.
Yeah, not really. Not really. You know what? I've been on both sides. I've been on both sides of the credit card scammer life.
Yeah, same.
Like I've had my identity stolen.
Same. Last year she was
Here's
terrible.
the joke. I was dead broke when they stole my credit card. So I got a call from the Apple store up in Greenwich, Connecticut, and it was like, "Hey, we're just letting you know that the five iPads you tried to activate were declined." And I was like,
what?
Who are you trying to reach? And it was like, yeah, you just tried to like put 5 AT&T lines on 5 iPads. And I was like, well, they was like, you should probably call the credit agency, put a fraud notice in your thing. I was like, nigga, go look at my credit card report.
You know what I'm saying?
My credit card report looking like Iggy Azalea lyrics.
Yo, somebody stole my identity and got fucking knee surgery and fucking did all types of shit. And then like they bagged them. It was 2 Dominican dudes.
Duh. Dominican crime.
Oh my god,
so
terrible.
sad.
They bagged them in like West Virginia. Niggas was hiding out down there, and I'm getting letters like as the case goes on. They're like, "Yo, this is what's happening with Anel Santos." I'm like, "Dog, fuck Anel Santos, dog. Like that shit happened. It's over. Like I don't care."
What can they even do? They can't take
what?
the surgery back from
You know
him.
what I'm saying?
Oh man,
Give me back your meniscus
oh Jesus,
and those 7 plasma screens.
that used to be the good look. The identity scam. 9/11 changed that. Because you used to be able to used to be able to cash checks without ID.
Oh my god, that was such a beautiful time in life, dog.
What a time to have been alive.
Man,
Burning up I-95. Shout out my cousin Shout out my cousin Preem.
Hey.
And Brian. We was getting the things off. Oh man. How do you feel about this whole Oscars so white situation? Because are you a SAG member? You're a WAG member, right?
yeah, WAG.
WAG. Wow.
Is it WAG? WJ? Is it WAG? WJ.
Listen.
Writers Guild.
Listen.
Yeah,
You come on. Listen. Who knew little Mero from the
Listen,
block?
out here. You know what I'm saying?
So as a member,
Getting screeners
you
and
getting
shit.
your screeners.
You know what I mean? I'm
How do you
here.
feel about the lack of diversity in the Oscars?
Listen, on some real shit though, didn't Rocky win an Oscar? The first one? Best Picture. The Best Picture, right? Yo,
Shout out to Victor DeGrasse Tyson.
Hey, fat God. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Rocky won Best Picture. Why couldn't this win Best Picture? I thought it was a great movie. I
Creed?
thought Michael
Are you
B.
talking
Jordan,
about Creed?
Yeah, Creed was a great movie.
Okay.
Michael B. Jordan was official in it. Like I feel like Leonardo DiCaprio should win Best Oscar for Revenant because that movie was fire. Bro.
Yeah.
Like I got the screener for that and I was like, yo, this shit is official.
Yeah.
But yo, let my son Michael B. Jordan cook. Yo, I'm hyped for Michael B. Jordan.
Nah.
Because
Fuck Michael B. Jordan.
Because I understand.
Listen.
I understand why.
Listen.
Niggas hate him for the same reason they hate like Trey Songz.
Listen,
and,
I'm
like,
gonna
niggas
talk
like
directly
that.
to the mic right now. All right.
Talk to him.
There's only enough room in Hollywood for one skinny
shit, that's right.
black guy. Okay.
Say no. So it's fuck Michael B. Jordan.
It's me and Michael B. Jordan.
Yeah, you got it right.
We're going toe to toe, and he got the advantage with the HGH. He worked out for Creed, and now it's quiet for Desus.
But
I tried to work out. I tried.
No.
You hear this in my voice? I tried.
It's good.
I went to the bodega. I bought those construction gloves with the red wax.
Oh, yeah.
I was doing the scaffold pulls. I did like 4.
You did scaffold pulls with the durag with the cape out.
I did
Gotta leave the
scaffold
flap
pulls
out.
and then I did blunt pulls. And that's why, that's why my body's at where it's at.
Yo, I was actually in BJ. Shout out to BJ's. And
How do you feel? How do you, as a man, feel comfortable
it's like BJ's.
purchasing shit at something called BJ's?
I know, right? But I call it Berkeley and Jensen in my head to make it sound fancy and also to not make it sound like Felicia.
Your kids are like, where's daddy? And your wife is like, he went to BJ's.
Nah, everybody, we all there.
Oh,
Eating
okay.
samples.
All
Yeah,
right.
we all there eating samples on Mad High and shit. Oh, it was great. Yo, but I was gonna buy like a P90X chin-up bar, and I was like, no.
Nothing sadder when you buy exercise equipment mad
Yes.
amped.
Yes.
Like, yo, I'm
gonna make it happen.
Fuck it up.
That's exactly why I did not buy it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's exactly because I knew I was gonna have it.
You
Yo,
wanna
I'm gonna
how-
set it up. I'm gonna kill this shit, nigga. Do 2 pull-ups and be like, all right, cool. Tomorrow we starting fresh.
Dog, I spent a week downloading all of the P90X series on a torrent, like back when speeds was low.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, it's about to be lit. I'm thinking like 6 months from now, I'm gonna be that wild
Fucking
dickhead
ripped.
nigga that takes
Yeah.
his shirt off in the club for no reason.
No reason.
Wearing Under Armour to formal events. Hey, DJ Boris, you are killing it.
Yo, yeah.
Nope. I watched that once,
Nah.
and then you try it. You're like, yo, 10 push-ups. And you're like, yo, you're winded. And they're like,
Yep.
one more. And I'm like, nah, fuck you.
Fuck you, dog. Stop telling me what to do.
So shout out to
You're not my
everybody.
boss.
Shout out to everyone that can hit the gym regularly.
Well, shout out to y'all.
Y'all are my I'm not a gym person.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Like, my whole motivation to go to the gym is so I can fuck niggas up. with the
Yeah,
hands.
straight up. That's really it.
And I basically had enough fights in my life that I know I'm good with the mitts.
Yeah. You know what's crazy? A lot of people think just being brolic doesn't mean you can fuck somebody up. You need to be able to. Yo, I've gotten into a lot of fights,
Right.
as I'm sure you have as well, and you don't win every fight.
No.
Sometimes you get fucked up.
Listen.
Getting fucked up is good because it develops your ability to get fucked up.
Exactly.
So
all you gotta do is be able to take a punch to the face.
that's right.
All right. Not every fight is gonna end up with you getting knocked unconscious
That's right.
and you're on World Star Hip Hop. Most fights, you're scuffling for at
30
most
seconds.
30 seconds, and then you're
Tops.
both winded.
Winded as
so both
fuck.
of you have disgusting appetites, and
That's
you
right.
eat butt and you eat Vienna
Yeah,
sausages.
and you smoke Dutch guts, you garbage. You know what I'm saying? We have disgusting habits, and
Yeah.
we get winded after 20 seconds. So
But
I'm not
shout
scared
out-
of fighting any nigga in the hood. I'm scared of niggas pulling out a gun and just clapping me
But
after
yo-
getting winded. Like, yo, fuck this. What the fuck am I
this.
doing? Pow! Nigga, hold
Listen,
on.
like Cool G Rap said, while y'all lift weights, I lift light ass nickel plates. Okay, so I heard that as a child. I was like, all right,
Yeah,
it's
you know
lit.
what? Yeah.
It's lit. So no, but shout out to anyone out there. If it's it's no longer it's still January.
Yeah.
If you still doing your New Year's resolution and you do, I see y'all out there, y'all running like 4.8 miles before work.
Yep.
Y'all working out. Shout out to all my mommies out there on Instagram
Oh,
with
what?
the fucking abs.
Yes.
Are you an ab man? Do you like a woman with abs?
I'm not. I don't fuck with like the crazy abs.
The crazy
like,
abs?
don't come through with looking like fucking Channing Tatum.
You don't
know
like
what I'm saying?
you don't like a China from WWF?
That's wild. That's wild. Remember when she came out with the Pinot? Her
Yeah.
clit was like looked like a thumb.
Her clit looked like a
That's-
turtle, dog. That shit was wild.
Yo, I see that shit. I was like, yo, what the fuck?
That was an intimidating clip.
Yo, fam.
And we're not vagina shaming because
No.
listen, all
vaginas are beautiful.
Vaginas are beautiful.
Are you kidding me? It's like finger paint.
Whether you have a tight vagina that looks like a walnut or
Yeah.
you have sloppy chopped cheese vagina.
What's that Pokemon that's just a blob? Ditto. If your vagina looks like Ditto,
Dog.
it's beautiful.
Shout out to Victor the
Yo.
Grass Tight. We
Didn't even Google that.
Didn't even
That was
Google
off
that.
the
That
top.
was off the dome. Yo, Victor out here shooting like
Yo,
Steph Curry. Like,
you know what I'm saying? Actually, nigga,
shout out to
behind
Victor.
the back.
I love that.
And he got glasses on today.
Yeah.
So you know he got extra facts.
Yeah, I don't understand. He looks like a Dominican. He looks like a Colombian Malcolm X. Oh, nah, vaginas are pretty.
Yeah, man.
Vaginas are pretty.
I love your vagina.
Vaginas are pretty. I was gonna say, yo, any guy that doesn't like a vagina.
These
you
young
know.
niggas.
But you know
fucking
what?
to these young niggas,
and
man.
it's the thing is, like, it's
They
not
watch too much Pinot.
You know, they expect the Pinot vagina. They want
Yeah.
that anal bleaching vagina.
No. Get that sloppy fucking
Yo,
shit that look
ma,
like fucking-
embrace your vagina. Let
Yep.
some hair grow on it. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Do your thing.
Let the hair grow in between the lips.
Yo,
you know what I'm
well,
saying?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like in them folds.
Yeah.
Shout out to the fat pussies too, because yo, listen, there's all types of fat pussies, every type of
Yeah.
vagina out there. Shout
Yeah.
out to everyone.
Shout out
You know
to
what I'm
all
saying?
the vaginas.
All the vaginas.
All vaginas matter.
Be proud and they all matter.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
There's not. I feel like
Don't ever let a nigga tell you got an ugly vagina. That shit is a lie.
Don't let you say. Beyonce need to make a song about that.
That's right.
But
Peanut Boys, next
there's not as many dick variations, pause, as there are vaginas, I guess. I don't know. I imagine there's I don't even know. Like,
I don't know. I look at my dick a lot. I don't see a lot of different dicks. I mean, you see dicks in Pinot, but it's like, it's the same 4 dicks. Pause.
Yeah. Pretty much. So you ladies don't got options like that. You ladies and my gays. You know what I'm saying? My dudes. I'm not gonna be disrespectful. We're inclusive here.
You know what I'm saying? Tops and bottoms.
Everybody. First horny reference at 10:59 a.m. Oh man,
it's not even 11 yet.
You know what?
McDonald's is still serving breakfast.
Shout out to everyone. It's 11 a.m. If you're still sleeping, I respect you because I've lived that.
Yeah.
All right. I've been that guy. I wake up, watch Jerry Springer, roll up, smoke, hate my life,
you bought some
and go back to bed. Right? Why are you snitching on your podcast?
It's just weed. Who cares?
But it's not legal. It's all funny. Oh, you brought some weed today, right? You know how stupid we're gonna feel? Like dickheads. We're in the Superior Court over by 107th Street. Yes, that's the actual address. And the fucking Manhattan DA is playing this as evidence.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Like the two sides of that. Where it's like dudes who are super paranoid about getting arrested and getting snitched, and then the dudes who don't give a fuck
because this ain't your first go round.
Like, yo, like
I once sat in that courtroom and I saw someone hit the judge was like, "Yo, you got caught with 40 bricks." Him and his brother, and they were like, the thing was he was already on probation for trying to sell 60 bricks to a federal agent. So I'm like, yo, you gotta be snitching, dog. Everyone in the gallery was like, you're snitching. And then the fucking court officer that looks like Ice-T was like, hey, guys, keep it down. And you can't eat in here as I have my like egg and cheese sandwich. I was like, dog, like literally, I could be going to jail today.
Oh, my God.
I'm gonna eat this chopped cheese.
I'm
gonna eat this fucking egg and cheese. I don't care.
Fuck you,
Man.
Judge.
And then you got the one person who caught their first DUI and they're mad nervous.
Shook.
They got the lawyer they retain. They paid $10,000 for them, even though the fine is $500.
$500. Mandatory program. Niggas just let you dub that shit.
Yo.
Lawyer's like, yo, he's calling the judge by his first name. He's like, Barry, listen.
Barry.
He's a good kid.
He's a good kid.
Can we just get this? I mean, I got tea time is in 5 minutes.
What are you doing? Oh, you still lunch on Thursday, right? All right. Come on.
Balthazar brunch?
Time
Love
served.
It. Great.
Time served, $500 fine, suspended, 6 months suspended sentence. Come on. All right?
Get this out of here. Bailiff, get him out of here. I'm sorry about that. Call him an Uber.
Shout out to all my real niggas out there who have their public defender under pressure like, yo, I'm not doing community service. Because nothing's more humiliating. I've talked about this before. Nothing's more humiliating than community service.
I can attest to that.
Why do I gotta wear a reflective vest and clean the subway and have my ex-girlfriend, as she's on her way to her good-ass job in HR, she gotta see me and be like, Desus,
what?
I was right about you.
Damn, you're a scum. Niggas had me fucking picking up condoms with a pointy stick at Marcus Garvey Park. I'm getting like 6 o'clock in the morning. There's mad dope fiends everywhere tying off a fishing line. I'm like, yo, my life is trash. Nigga,
dog,
I need to turn my life around.
They have me cleaning the West Side Highway and some homeless guy, not the real West Side Highway, but like that little wooden area, which if you live in New York, the West Side Highway is right by the Hudson River. It's like
beautiful,
the woods.
Beautiful views.
It's beautiful views. But you don't want to clean that shit because everyone driving by just throws their garbage into the trees.
That's right.
A homeless man had built a shack. And you can see a lot of time had gone into it. The shit was reinforced with like twine and shit. They were
like lost.
They were like, tear it down. I was like, I'm not tearing down somebody's shack. Next thing I know, like 3 people just tearing this guy's shit apart and throwing it in a dumpster. And
he was sick when he got back.
Oh, he was sick. I think he was like watching from the top of the hill. He had the one tear in his eye like the Indian dude. And so we're using a wood chipper. And
niggas do his crib in a wood chipper?
We have no goggles or anything. So I'm walking and someone's like, hey! And I lean back, shout out to Fat Joe. The wood chipper just does mad fucking wood past my face. That would have went directly into my face.
You. Oh, that would get your guy out.
I'm like, what the fuck? And like this old head was like, you should have caught it in the face.
It's always the old head dolphin. Shout out to the old head dolphin.
You could have sued the city. You've been set for life.
You
don't need both eyes.
No thanks, Terrence. I got talent and dreams.
I'ma just go lay down in this van. I feel dope sick.
Fuck out of here. Shout out to the Puerto Rican dolphin. I'll never remember his name. Maybe it was Ramon or something. When I was doing that community service at Marcus Garvey, he was like, yo, let's go to my mom's crib for lunch. I was like, okay.
That's
another
thing.
I got weed.
They don't provide lunch for you when you're doing community service.
They let you bounce for half an hour
on like a random street. And they're like, yo, come back, or else we're not signing your paper. Because that's all you want is your paper, so you show it to the judge.
Sign my paper and I'm good.
That's it.
All you gotta do is be cool with the dude for like the first 2 days.
Yeah.
And be like, yo, my nigga, yo, just sign me out,
come
please.
On, man. Like I showed up.
Come on, fam. I shot you out on the podcast.
Yo. Shout out
to Ramon.
Oh man. I'm never getting arrested. You know what? Every
Never
time I say
again.
that, I'll fail.
Yeah.
I'm
So it
just-
happens. No, listen. Knock on linoleum
Yes.
out here. You know what I'm saying?
If I get, I'll call it the head of Viacom. I'm like, get me the fuck out right
fucking
now.
Philippe.
Philippe. My
He's
nigga.
like, well, Desus, I mean, you
Listen.
committed a felony.
Listen,
I
Philippe.
can't really.
Philippe.
I want to pull some strings.
Philippe,
I really do.
I better be out of here on
I
Monday.
I want to
blood,
pull.
get me out, bang, bang. I bust my gun for Viacom
Okay,
gang.
all right, dude. Bye, dude. Bye.
Oh, man.
Alrighty.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, shout out to Philippe. What's his name? Beaumont?
Dumont.
Shout out to
Dumont.
Philippe
He's
Dumont.
French.
Shout out to him.
He
Chopped it
French.
over Philippe. You know what I'm
You did,
saying?
you know?
Rubbing elbows with the wealthy.
Yeah. Yes,
Not even gonna say rich. I'm gonna say wealthy.
wealthy.
Because that nigga definitely calls helicopter Uber.
That
You know what I'm saying?
no, he does not.
He doesn't?
has his own chopper.
That's right. His shit is on deck.
Do you understand? Helicopter Uber is like the public bus if you're rich.
That's true.
Like you have your own
It's
Uber.
like Uber.
If you got a chopper and it doesn't have your initials monogrammed into the
It's just trash.
headrest,
It's not worth it. If it doesn't make with the rear propeller make your name in like a 3D design when it spins, your shit's trash.
yo, dog. I was trying to take a helicopter to Teterboro Airport
Shout out to you.
2 weekends ago because I was invited by a friend.
Super flexing.
Superflex. But apparently I was not. You have to tell the helicopter ahead of time.
And
So
get
you
on
know
the
how many
manifest.
on the manifest.
Yeah.
Yo, you see,
So
you
look,
know,
you know what I'm
it's
saying?
Hollywood, baby. It's Hollywood. And apparently I didn't get on the manifest in time. So I got to like the heliport. And they're like, yo, you're not on the manifest, but you can go and take the helicopter. You can pay right now
Right.
to go to Teterboro
No
Airport.
big deal. Yeah.
And I was like, how much is
$50
it?
bucks?
They were like $2,000.
Yo,
So as I walked away with the Charlie Brown music playing,
what?
and got back on the train and went back to the Bronx. But no, listen. People don't know about rich people problems.
Yeah.
It's a whole like you got different taxes.
Yeah.
You know, so
You
you
gotta fill out
have
different
security.
forms and shit. Yeah,
Shit is
niggas
weird,
trying to
man.
get you all the time.
You know, shit is
You
weird.
gotta have a dude. You gotta hire a dude to have your back. But then also, if you smoke a lot of paranoid weed, you're like, yo, is this nigga playing on me?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, he's holding me down, but
Yeah.
he could smother me with a pillow.
Then it's just like, yo, who, I have a very, like, if you get a custom aquarium built in your, like, who's going to come clean it?
Right. That's why I'm gonna get a bodyguard that I could easily fuck up. You know what I'm saying? But but they gotta have a gun license. But I'm gonna trick them. I'm gonna have like one fake gun. I got this all planned. I'm not gonna labor. You know what I'm saying? And tell the whole thing now. But it's a plan that I got where I got a bodyguard that's a cornball weakling, but he has a gun. But sometimes the gun doesn't have actual bullets in it. So if he ever tries to plot on me and he tries to flip it on me and be like, yo, Mero, it's a rap. Give me all your money. And then he pulls the trigger. It's like click, click, and I'm like, nigga, got you.
Where are you finding this? Are you getting him off of Craigslist? Like, you can't trust your bodyguard? What is?
Yeah, I get paranoid sometimes. You don't get paranoid, dog? Does the paranoia seep in? I feel like it's the children, the having kids shit.
Yeah.
Accelerated my paranoia.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know the thing is, like, yeah, they got that. You got that. Like,
know what I'm
someone
saying?
could break into your house, they put the gun to your kid's head.
know what I'm saying?
Like, where's the money?
Oh,
Like,
it's
so-
all over there.
God
Fuck.
forbid someone comes in and has like a gun to my cat's head. I'll be like, yo, shoot that motherfucker.
Shoot that nigga. I
He
dare
peed
you.
in the living room.
I dare you.
Yeah.
Pussy. You don't bust your gun.
Yeah. It's different. It's different. When you got kids. I'm having a kid this year though.
Shout out to
I'm
you.
gonna stop saying that. I am putting that in the universe, and I do not want that.
You put that in the universe like 4 times, man.
And like two chicks have hit me up.
It's 1, 2, 3,
on the
4
DMs.
slash.
Like,
you do that shit
yo.
one more time.
Like, yo, Desus, I'm ready. I'm fertile. Nah, I can't have you having kids, man.
What nigga from Saint
like-
Baker be out here?
Oh, I can't. You said what?
Saint Baker out here in these
Oh,
streets,
God.
nigga.
We're gonna have to bleep that. You can't be, I got a Wikipedia page. Y'all
Come
not
on, are
low.
you kidding me?
Oh man.
on, dog.
Yeah. Nah, but
Niggas is out there for real.
I
We
can't
can't
be
even
having
friend be like, yo, I don't live here. That's not my name.
I can't have a baby.
No, you can't.
I can't. I'm
No,
not. I'm not responsible.
I got enough
like
for
that.
both of us.
Dog. Yeah, you do.
Take a break.
Shout out to you, man. As I have on a brand new pair of sneakers, you
know what I'm saying?
And I'm just thinking, like that first time that I have to make the decision between like
Yeah.
feeding my kid or buying sneakers,
Yeah.
I'm gonna just get fed up
It's
and
gonna
be like,
be
yo,
tough.
I'm out.
It's gonna be tough.
I'm just walk out.
I do that all the time with weed. Like, yo,
No.
dog, damn.
No, I would walk out. I would definitely walk out on my wife and kids. No, you know what? I respect myself for being able to know that, and that's why I've never put myself in this situation. Like, I get fed up with shit
Right.
easy, and like I'm out.
I'm out. Yeah.
And listen, a lot of y'all listening to this, y'all like, that's not good, Jesus. But I'm
Well-
talking about fictional. Meanwhile, y'all didn't realize.
At least he's self-aware.
You know what I'm saying? I'll send that check. Come through on birthday, like, yo, what up, little nigga?
What's up?
But you know what?
What's up?
You know what
Don't
I'm
even
saying?
make eye contact.
Ex-wife slandering me on Twitter.
Just dap niggas up. Dap your ex-wife up. Dap your kid. Like, yo, what's
Shut
up,
up.
little nigga?
Every time I tweet, I'll be like, yo, tweet. Nick game about to start. You know what's not about to start? The family, because you walked out on us, you coward.
Try to get more jizzled out here.
Yo, shout out to my potential ex-wife.
Yo,
I'm gonna put you through it.
Oh yeah.
You gonna sign that prenup, and then you gonna look at my bank account and be like, "What the fuck I signed this prenup for?"
But listen, to be fair and great, it's gonna be a really funny baby shower, some funny brunches. It's
gonna be great.
Double date shit.
I'm gonna have GoPros everywhere.
It's gonna be very
lit. It's
good.
gonna be lit.
You know what I'm saying? Listen,
I might get you a push gift.
Yeah. You know what I'm
Are
saying?
you a push gift person?
I know what that. I should know what that is.
Okay, a push gift is like a gift you give your wife after she has a baby.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like sometimes in money. It's like a bag, maybe shoes.
Right.
Maybe a personal trainer to help them get back in
Right.
shape.
Yeah, I get my wife a push gift. I was like, yo, here is a kid.
Oh shit!
You just pushed him out. Enjoy him.
No, my ex, she was like, yo, if we have a kid, like I want like. She had the whole. It was like written out. She sent it to me in an email. A personal trainer to help her get back in shape. She
Okay.
wanted like a Gucci bag.
Wow.
All this shit.
At least she knows
she
what she
wanted like
wants.
a party and all this stuff. But the thing was like she was wild rich.
That's crazy because yo, what?
And I wasn't. And I was just
Okay.
like, yo, how do you expect me to?
How am I supposed to
I
do
was
this?
like, yo, your push is me pushing this dick up at you. All right?
Yo, that's we gotta hit him with that sometimes.
Yeah, listen.
Hit him with it. Hit him with it. Hit him with it. Ha, ha, ha.
Put his dick on your nose. Yeah. Shit was weird.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, but shout out to listen, push gift is cool. I might because listen, I might have one more kid and that's it. I'm niggas got close up
You're
shop.
gonna get the
Niggas
vasectomy?
Yeah.
Why you gotta get the vasectomy? Why don't you get your?
I might not get a vasectomy. I mean, it's because busting a nut in the pussy feels incredible.
Yeah.
It's like the first time you smoke weed every time.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, this shit feels so great. And but when you're not, with somebody, that shit is dangerous, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Because you're like, yo, you're rolling the dice. You know what I mean?
Don't put me at risk.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying? You're rolling the dice.
Yeah.
I've nutted up in something sometimes and been like, damn.
Why'd you do that? There's nothing worse
The
than
Richard Bae shit. Duh.
like you nut up in somebody and then you immediately see something that makes you question their ability to raise a child.
Yup.
Like
Fucking Louboutins in the toilet or some shit. Like the toilet got a ring of dirt around it.
they're just like,
Oh,
you know what I'm
fuck.
saying? Like she just puts a dirty plate under her bed.
Yeah. Finish it, just tuck it under the bed. Bitch, you got a bed skirt. That doesn't mean that shit disappears. Like, that's not a dishwasher, my
shit.
nigga. I had ex-girlfriends that used to do that shit all the time, fam. Eat food and just stick the plate under the fucking bed or like on the table and never clean shit. I used to be like, y'all will. And I'm not even the neatest guy. You already know, my nigga.
I know.
You know what I'm saying?
And I'm not the neatest guy.
You know what I mean?
So if I know you're not neat.
You know what I'm saying?
You
So
know
I'm
what
just
saying?
like, yo.
Because I clean my toilet using my pee stream. So
Yo, precisely. I just pour mad bleach and shit every other week.
I don't
You know
even
what I'm
wash
saying?
my bed sheets. I just take the fucking Febreze bottle and throw it in there like LeBron before a game. Like,
Yo, shout out to my niggas the savages. I was smashing shorties on a futon with a fucking X-Men sheet from when I was like 8. You know what I'm saying? I stole from my mom's crib.
I always wonder like what's going through the chick's head. Like she gotta be like, yo, I could do better. I don't want to be the guy that makes a girl change her life. Like, yo, I gotta do better.
No. But you know what?
I have been that guy so many times.
Right. But like you're saying, like, what is she thinking? I always like to think that she's thinking, yo, this dick is so fire that I'm letting this nigga fuck me on these X-Men sheets.
I'm Professor X. Oh man!
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, shout out to every one of y'all who are over 20 and you got your back blown out on a racing car bed.
That's right.
All right. This ain't the Grand Prix, ma.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
Yo. Shout out to all of y'all to be fucking in hallways and shit. You're appreciated.
Project rooftops.
All that.
You know.
You're appreciated.
Grand Central bathroom. That happened. It was nasty and wet, but it was disgusting. With dope sick love.
Yo, that's such a wild documentary.
That's a documentary, and there's been a lot of that from my life. Listen, when I love hard.
Yeah.
Somebody was like, yo, I got really choked up last week when we were talking about Celine Dion. Because I was like, yo, she loved the shit out that nigga about her husband. And like, you should have that. You should have that, like, fucking that intense love, that tingle.
Yeah.
Like,
Listen,
when you see
fam.
your fucking mate, you're like, yo, it's like the first time you, like, I always see photos of, like, the husband.
Right.
When they see their bride for the first time at the wedding and they're choked up,
Yeah.
I was like, yo, look at this pussy. But
That's just bad
apparently
emotional.
that's emotional.
I almost cried reading my vows. I did it
Yeah.
though. I held it together.
Yeah.
Because I was like, yo, I'm reading.
Victor was there?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yo, shout out to
Was
that.
he crying like a baby?
No, I didn't. Did I cry?
Oh,
I
you
didn't cry.
cried?
Nah, I feel like I got shaky.
You pussy.
I got shaky, but I didn't cry. I got shaky, but I didn't cry though.
I wish I was there. I'd be like, whose man's is this? Who's that?
Oh, fuck he's like, oh, you fucking trash.
Oh, just Millie rocking like, yo. Mero ain't sturdy.
Yo, yeah, no, that shit is emotional.
Yeah.
You know what it is, dog? My wife would hit me in the head with a shoe, but at the end of the day, I was like, yo, this bitch would ride or die for me. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? When you have that, it's a beautiful thing. You know what I'm saying? It's very nice.
Did you guys do that thing where you build the sand sculpture together?
Hell fucking no. We don't do any of that corny lame shit. Yo,
my cousin did that at the wedding, and I was like,
man.
what's going on? I was like, I haven't been to enough weddings to know what's going on.
Yeah, no,
'cause my family is not big on weddings. We're big on, like, you know, just to lay up with each other for 26 years. But apparently, you take sand and your boo takes sand, and y'all put them together into like a beautiful vase, and it gets sealed.
No, I've heard of that. Yeah.
That shit's whack.
That shit's whack, yeah.
What you should do is you both have like Serato, and then like you scratch on one turntable and your mate scratches on turntable.
Oh, that's lit.
And you just,
that's
like,
kind of
crossfaded.
My sister came out.
If you love hip hop.
Yeah, that's right. My sister came out and did. I thought this was kind of corny, but she came out and did her first dance. Was like some first dancey slow dance shit, and then it went into PYT.
Yeah.
And her husband did like a whole dance routine. I was like, wow.
I
was like, wow, this is
terrible.
This is something else.
My cousin, she's Jamaican.
And I was drunk.
My cousin up in Canada, she's Jamaican.
Yep.
Her fiance is American. He learned the whole fucking Wayne Wonder no letting go routine, and him and his best men, they did it. And I was like, yo,
that's dedication.
I was like, yo, this would be lit, but there's no fucking alcohol at this wedding.
Wow.
I'm about to burn down this hole, but we found alcohol and I ended up twisting my ankle, which lets you know how drunk I was at that shit. If you look at every photo, I got mad sweat and my shirt is open and everyone else has on jackets because Jesus was going hard because Jesus Fuego don't play.
That's right.
Invite us to your wedding.
Yeah, we'll host this shit.
We will host your wedding.
And DJ.
We're available for weddings, bar mitzvahs.
Yep.
If you're having a divorce party,
Sweet 16s.
you know, we could have hosted Mandisi's going away party.
That's true.
We could host anything.
Anything.
Head
Literally
up to
anything.
Bodega Boys.
Hi,
Listen, if you're paying cash,
at Bodega Boys.
if you're paying cash, we're cutting ass. Bodega Boys in the building, episode 13.
That's right.
Listen, we're going a little long today. Pause.
You know what I mean?
I'm saying? We're giving you the art.
Because we're back in the studio. You know what I'm saying?
Back in the studio. Shout out to 220 West 18th Street.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, shout out to my man who, because all of y'all, shout out to y'all. Last episode, the audio quality was a little sus. You know what I'm saying? But we know it was an emergency podcast. We had to get it out to you. That's why it was a 0.5. But shout out to everyone. Y'all consumed it. You was like, yo, I'll take it anywhere I could get it. Pause. But shout out to everybody. The one guy in the comment that was like, yo, this episode makes me appreciate the sound engineer at Red Bull.
Word.
Because my man be putting in work over
That's
here.
right. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out Red Bull Studio. Very comfortable place. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's very
I'm out
chill.
here with my foreskin on the table. Very comfortable.
Yeah, that niggas don't even know. I mean, I know y'all see the pictures when we're in here, but the furniture is very CB2.
Dog, I'm eating Stacey's pita chips.
You know what I'm saying?
Now. I can't get this in the Bronx.
Nah, no way.
You order pita chips to the bodega, you're gonna get knocked out when you leave.
Okay.
Yeah, Pop, you got pita chips?
They'll give you like the pizza flavored nacho Doritos and shit. Like, you said pizza cheese? Toma pizza cheese, Moreno.
Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
What else would we have to commiserate on?
The Blizzard. Oh, we talked about the Blizzard already, right?
We did talk about the Blizzard. It's coming up here. Could y'all say a quick prayer for the Bodega Boys that we have a safe flight? Because if the snow happens, we might not go to LA. And we're trying to go to LA.
We might be trying.
I'm trying to go to LA. I'm trying to sell out, man. I don't like my life.
LA's so lit, but like after like 3 weeks, I'm like, I gotta go back to New York and like do New York things, and then I could come back.
See,
you know
Mero's mad Hollywood. He's done these things already. I haven't. You know, last time I was in LA, you know, my Instagram was on fire.
Yo,
dog.
that was a scandal. Can we? Yo, Desus' whole Instagram, like social media shit, is mass scandalized.
It's not fun.
Yo, it's crazy.
Like,
what's that like?
It's it's troubling because as a joke, I love the list. You know, I have friends.
Yeah.
I have friends who happen to be beautiful females.
Right.
And every now and then I'll throw one on the gram and underneath put with Bae.
Right.
Harmless fun.
Just fucking around.
Just fucking around.
We are comedians. We literally are fucking around all the time.
Baby.
Yeah.
It's Hollywood. Dog. I got an email.
Firestorm of hatred.
I got an email from this girl. She was like, yo. She was like,
email.
Not email. It was a DM.
I was like, damn, an email serious. That's like calling a nigga nowadays.
She was like, I used to think you were funny. So you put that white bitch on your Instagram. I was like, whoa.
Yo, what?
Listen, I get it.
Yikes.
But listen, you know what I'm saying? We just out here.
Yeah,
you
you know what I'm saying?
Shouts. I really enjoy my Instagram. I never want to shut it down.
No.
I
Keep
see
doing
like
what you do.
when Sierra and Russell
for the
Wilson and like people are flooding their Instagram with like the fucking emojis. I'm like, what would I do there? Do you just make it private? Do you have to go through and delete all of them?
I guess.
You know what I'm saying?
but if you got like a bajillion followers, does making your shit private
It doesn't make any sense. Like
You know what I'm
Meek
saying?
Mill, like his shit. Like people leaving all types of dickhead.
Man.
Like, you can't
Somebody
get
just
got to
change his password. Somebody got to grab his shit and be like, and just change the password to like, hey,
You just gotta let them cook. You can't get in your feelings because I used to like try to sanitize mine with people be like, yo, where's your hairline? Where's your hairline? Blah blah blah. Which is funny. 3 months ago. Now it's not original. Shout out to people who go, where's your hairline? LMFAO laughing at their own comment. Like relax, tough guy. Right?
And as we have previously stated, it's always a dude, never
Yeah, it's
a
always
woman.
a dude. There were literally chicks in my Instagram comments like, leave him alone. Like that's cool.
Hey, shout out to you.
Shout out to the model agency that followed me and hit me up. So,
Hey.
all right, don't worry about my hairline. But as I was saying, like I don't know, you just gotta let your Instagram. You can't never read the comments.
You just gotta live your
Never
life.
read the comments. Somebody left a comment on DVM and it was just like that we're marginalizing black women
Oh.
for our lackluster career that has no potential.
Wow,
That was 2
You
years
know what
ago.
that was in response to, fam? That was in response to when French Montana had jokes on Pam.
Yeah,
and we had jokes on Pam.
yeah,
That was it.
that was it.
It was us making fun of celebrities, which is what we do. You know what I'm saying?
But guess what?
You know what I'm saying?
You were wrong.
You're wrong, motherfucker.
You was wrong.
You was wrong, man.
We was out here.
We was out here.
Yeah.
And you wrong, and we right.
Ha. Take that. Oh, damn, it feels good to have niggas all on it. Pause.
Yeah, this is great. Yo, listen, it feels good to be back in the studio. You know what I'm saying? And be here. You know what I mean? And just be.
Miley Cyrus has a remix to Kanye West's Black Skinhead.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had to get all the mic for that one. Pause.
And it's blocked by UMG on copyright grounds.
Shout out to UMG.
Shout out to UMG.
For being haters.
Shout out to all these content companies
These dinosaur fucking content companies.
that block people from viewing their content
You idiot.
online.
What is the point of that? The whole point
do
is
you
for me to see
understand-
the shit.
Okay,
you idiot.
millennials watch. Not even millennials, regular
People who have internet.
watch stuff when they want to watch it on their
Yes.
own schedule.
Yes.
You cannot force people
No.
to watch it.
No.
The days to tell people go home on Friday night 8 p.m. to watch the show are over.
No.
And no matter how much you try to restrict your content, you're shooting yourself in the foot.
That's right.
That's why people love Netflix. That's why people love Apple TV. That's why people love Go 90. Go on Aquafina show is on there. You can
That's
see
right.
me on there. I
That's
have my
right.
shirts out.
It's called
And I'm
Talk.
tonguing down a chick.
Shirtless?
Yeah, you didn't see that?
Full frontal? No, no.
Oh, you just put it out there, right? Listen, I got a little heat over that. Shout out to my boo Auburn.
He's out here.
But yeah, listen, you gotta let people watch the content when they want to watch the content and where they want to watch the
That's
content.
right. Listen, all you old niggas, you got to understand. There's a difference between telling people when to watch something and the digital living room.
Right.
The digital living room is something that happens organically if you make good shit.
Preach.
You know what I'm saying? If you
Preach.
make good shit, that happens by itself. You
Yeah.
can't make that happen. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just happens because you do good shit. For example, if anybody were to give the Bodega Boys some type of like hourly platform, you know what I'm saying? Shit would just pop off just because it's great. Not because we told you niggas to go there or to do anything or to watch it.
But you know what the
Right.
problem is? A lot of these media companies, the people running it at one time were cool.
Right.
Now they still think they're cool, but they're not cool. And they're surrounded by people who need their job.
right.
So they feel like, yes, that's a good idea.
You know what it is? Since everything goes in waves and shit and like ebb and flow, you know what I'm saying? And like everybody regurgitates shit, these old niggas just want to stay in position long enough for when what they were doing becomes retro
Right.
cool. So they're like, oh, I know all about this shit. I know all about the 70s. No, nigga, that doesn't work. That's just some shit that I just made up right now because I'm high.
That shit
You know what I'm
is-
saying?
that shit's
I know
so
that you're
annoying.
playing.
That shit is so annoying. Like, there's no reason why. Someone sent me a link to a show in Canada, and I couldn't watch it because it was like, it's blocked in your country. Like, Canada's blocking America from watching shit.
dog.
America's blocking Europe from watching
No.
shit. And you know what happens? Now we go illegally download the shit. Now
Exactly.
nobody watches any ads, and
Nope.
we all lose out.
Fuck your ads.
Oh, I can't.
Because the cool guy that ripped this and edited it cut out all the ads.
Listen,
Thanks.
I can't wait till I run Viacom.
Can't wait.
Changes so much shit in there. First of all, I'm gonna walk through 1515 every day, make sure everyone's working,
That's right.
fire people on the spot.
That's right.
Cafeteria is gonna be free. These are very specific.
Preach.
These are very specific things that you have to work at.
Terrace open all year.
Yes.
Mad ashtrays.
Vape pens.
Vape
Free
pens.
vape pens on demand.
That's right.
Vaping Fridays. Bring your kid, bring your vape, whatever. Run that shit like Google. I'm gonna be the Tinker Hatfield of fucking cable broadcast.
That's right.
All right.
Google's kind of ill.
Google is
I've
not
never been
kind of
there.
ill. Google is the illest shit ever. Except Google's eventually gonna take over the world. And we're
Have you
gonna
ever
be
been
fucked.
to the thing, the Google campus?
In New York or in
Either.
Nah.
No?
I actually applied for Google and like to apply, like they ask you like wild fucking like very high level questions.
Wow.
That one of the questions they asked my man was, how many basketballs were sold in America last year? And tell us how you figured that out.
I Googled it.
Goodbye, sir. Thanks. So, but because he's a fucking genius, like he did some sort of cross analysis of how many basketball hoops were sold, and then like took out how many were like for school.
So like a word problem.
Basically, he's a fucking genius, and he belonged at Google.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shout out to Google.
The illest question I ever got asked on a job interview, they were like, "How would you put a giraffe in a fridge?"
What was the answer to that?
How would you put a giraffe in a fridge?
Cut it up and put it in the fridge?
If you cut up a giraffe, how big are giraffes? Could you cut up a giraffe and put it in a fridge? Wouldn't it be too many pieces?
It would need to be a walk-in unit, at least 50 cubic feet.
Yeah.
Sub-Zero makes good ones. Maybe a Viking.
Wow.
Nah, really. Oh, it would be I would get like a baby giraffe and put it in the fridge. Doesn't say what kind of giraffe. It could be a newborn giraffe. Newborn giraffe is like size of this bucket. I remember because of the Zoo Explorers.
This is the interview.
Program.
Like the interviewer would be like asking you these questions and putting doubt in your head and shit like that. They asked me, and I was like, I'd open the door, put the giraffe in, and close the door.
Oh.
See, they don't care about the answer. It's about the thought process.
Right.
You are so high right now.
Right.
I can literally see your brain through the back of your eyes. Like I see the synapses like firing off. Like
it's crazy. No, because you know what it is? When you're high, you overthink.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, you do. Shout out to everyone, because I overthink. And shout out to people who overthink when they're high.
Yeah.
People who overthink in relationships. And like you text somebody and they don't text you back in an hour. And you're like, yo, he's out somewhere fucking some bitch. And it's like, no, I'm on the train.
No, I'm on the train.
You know, we all do that.
Listen,
God's working on all of us. We all have to like bring it down. No need to be excited, you know?
Dog, I went to the mall like last year to buy my wife like a Mother's Day gift or some shit. And got wild smack before I went there because it was just me dolo. So like...
we should stop calling it smack. We should be like, I got mad merrowed.
I got super merrowed and went to the mall and I had like 3 stops I had to make. Fam, I was so smacked that I planned the shit like it was a Navy SEAL mission, but I ended up going mad extra around because I'm like counting steps and doing all types of stupid shit. I'm like, yo, why don't I just go to the stores in the order that I'm, you know what I mean? Like I'm walking, this is the first one, you know what I mean? But I'm so smacked that I'm just like, yo, it would be better, if I go up to the second floor, boom, there's 2 of them on the second floor, then I go down to the first floor, about to take the escalator, because the escalator is faster than the elevator,
So
I'm wasting time.
at the mall.
Exactly, so I'm just like, why am I doing this? Let me just go to fucking T-Vana, whatever the fuck, and then go to the UGG store, and then I'm done.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
No, when I'm paranoid, like if I'm like high and I'm going through Grand Central, what I like to do,
Oh, man.
I like to predict what I would do if ISIS ran in there with AKs firing.
Oh, I do. Oh, all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Who I'd use as a human shield.
Oh, yeah. Especially now in
Which
Times
old
Square all the
lady
time.
I'd knock over on my way out. Just this mad scumbag shit. I'd hop in the Starbucks, steal the coffee. I think I could stop them.
I feel like,
You know what? Yeah.
I feel like we grew up in the era of action movies where action movies are so fucking bombastic that we believe that we could like carry our family over
You know
a
what?
crumbling
I've
bridge.
done some dumb shit when a gun is pointed at me, and I have no doubt I would like rush them.
Oh, I've seen death. I've looked death right in the eye.
Have you been, Carson?
I've seen death, and I've made life. Think about that.
Let's think about that.
Nas is 29. Jay-Z's 47. Martin Luther King was black.
Yo,
You've
shout
never made a
out
brain
to
out
Ben
of a potato chip.
Carson because there was a fatal accident on his campaign. Yesterday.
Shit. Oh yeah, that's right. That
Someone
dude died, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
I was like, damn, we could do something.
That dude was
on the
like
show.
22, right?
Yeah, because that's what people don't realize. That young people run
Campaigns.
Yeah, it's young people because young people are stupid.
Yeah. Also,
because they believe candidates are going to change shit.
Yeah. Also, they want to get into politics
Well,
for self-serving reasons.
Also, they take jobs that don't, pay well.
Yeah.
Shout out to me when I was repping Obama for Philadelphia.
Shout out to Obama.
Taking that fucking bolt bus back and forth. There's like a wild photo of me, my ex-girlfriend, and Mayor Nutter of Philadelphia. I have on a tie, and everyone on Facebook was like, "Yo, is that her father?" So
shout out to Philadelphia for having a fucking cartoon mayor.
He is.
He sounds like he's the mayor of like fucking Richard Scarytown and shit. Like
everyone in the town is a cat.
Yeah, like he's the mayor of Peppa Pig City.
He knows the theme to Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Of course he does.
So, and he also knows like. Was it Good Times? I think it is.
Oh,
no, what's it? The Message. One of those old school songs.
Yes,
which is cool. The first time you see it, you're like, yo, this shit is lit.
This old man does a cool thing.
After the 20th time,
Yeah.
you're like, nigga, if you don't shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
And every time, it's like you memorize a speech. You know, and then the crowd's like, "Oh my god, he knows the Fresh Prince." He's like, "Can I just get out of here?
Can I get?
I got to catch the 2 a.m. mega bus. I'm drunk.
Not here for this.
I want to get out of here."
I want to go home.
Shout out to old rest in peace, old Desus. I don't know where I was going.
Had political leanings. Yo, it's crazy because
I was ready to move to Washington D.C.
Oh no, you're
I was gonna be one of them corny niggas in Washington D.C. that have like square toe shoes and a pocket square.
No,
and
don't be that guy.
I'd have to join a fraternity mad late. Be strolling at like fucking bourbon ball.
Oh no, 10 dudes in a row doing stepping,
getting mad dressed up to go to brunch.
No man,
listen, D.C., you're not low. I've been to Expectations in Silver Springs, Maryland. All right, I know how y'all move.
All the black Greeks are wilding right now.
I know about the fucking Whole Foods on 14th. Listen, I was in DC heavy.
Hey, out there fucking wearing phone posits and dancing to go-go music.
No, you know what? I was. That's like 8th Street. But yo, I used to be out there like, hey yo, I was very New York with it. But I was just like, yo, I can't cook out here. I'm a New York nigga, David.
I only got one pair of Nike boots.
Oh, listen. I ain't Wale.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Shout to Wale.
Shout to Wale.
Shout to Wale for being so DC that he went from doing like go-go music and doing all the dancing
to going to the White House.
To being in the motherfucking White House.
White House.
Shout out to you, my guy.
Shout out to
Prosper.
He is prosper. He's doing something in Nigeria next week. He tweeted that out.
Yeah.
So shout out to him.
Shout out to you.
You know? Shout out to Meek Mill. He bought water for Flint.
Okay.
Still a loser.
Shout out to Flint. Take your L. Niggas delivered the pallet of water bottles in like an L shape. He's like, yo, y'all not funny, man. Y'all not see what y'all did, man.
Oh, man.
It's the shape of an L, I know.
Yo, that whole Flint situation.
It's crazy.
That's wild. Also,
how's this happening in America, my guy? And the niggas got the nerve to make fun of other countries. Like, niggas make fun of, oh, the mosquito kill you. Ha ha ha, your niggas is poor. Y'all motherfuckers is letting people drink iced tea water. Remember Married with Children when they had the Bundy iced tea? Yes. When he's like, yo, they turned our water on after it being off for 6 months. They turned it on, mad rusty shit came out. They were all drinking it and crunching on the shit.
Oh, my God.
That's a throwback. Shout out to y'all millennials.
That is a throwback. That is a throwback. I mean,
Bundy iced tea.
People were like, how does this happen in America? Yo, America's a fucked up place.
Yeah.
Let's not act like shit, though.
Shit. Yeah.
Like, the fact that this has been happening for an extended period of time for several days now. Yeah. And like no one's like, yo, we got it. Like, yo, Nestle owns half the water in America.
Come on,
Nestle could just be like, yo, here's just a whole month's worth of water. And Nestle,
here's the water. Here's the extra baby water that we made. Because baby water is a real thing.
Yeah, it is. It is. I know that because my nephew was drinking baby water. Yeah. And they went to Nestle like, yo, we need water. And Nestle was like, yo, no bitch named Keisha.
Get a fucking bed and sit on the corner, nigga.
Yeah, they're giving away water for free.
They call Nestle 50 fixed up.
Coke price went up.
Hey, nigga, fuck free. The fuck you want for free, man? No free water, man. Fuck out of here, man. 50, man.
You know what's crazy? Like, we're gonna eventually go to the next war we fight is gonna be over water. It's not gonna be about oil. It's gonna be so like crazy. Some Waterworld shit.
Because we watch Waterworld, Book of Eli and shit. We're like, yeah, this shit's funny. That's on the duster.
That's literally what happened in Syria. Like because of like global warming and the farming and like the whole government collapse and shit. That's gonna eventually happen here. Yep. You think it's not gonna happen here? It's eventually gonna happen here. This is nice. I'm telling you, Young Chipotle, aka Desus Hot Take, Desus Fuego. Mm-hmm. I'm just letting you know.
That's right.
America's eventually gonna collapse because we have no water and it's gonna become sectarian and the race war is gonna start. And we think we're ready for a race war and we're not because in the Bronx we're gonna be safe with like Timbs and handguns, but we're not gonna be able to pass the George Washington Bridge because they got big guns out there and everything's gonna fall apart.
Damn, they got fucking guns.
That fucking I Am Legend shit looks cool, but it's not.
Nah, it should be mad boring. Think about I Am Legend. If I Am Legend would have ended way differently, if as soon as he realized like, yo, it's just me out here, he would have jerked off like 5 times.
They don't show how many times he jerked off in that movie.
You know what I'm saying?
You know
jerk off 5 times. I'm done with this world.
They show him getting like clean DVDs. No, you're not.
No, you're not.
You go to the porn store on 42nd Street.
Getting the vibrating pussy.
He would have watched every porn in that. Like he'd be at the point where he's like, yo, I'm not gay, but I haven't watched these porn.
Fuck it.
You know what I'm saying?
He got the dog with him. He got the dog with him. He's like, yo, my nigga.
Peanut butter on his dick.
Yo.
Listen.
He's put telling the dog, yo, there's a movie with your mans in it.
There's no Netflix. You know what I'm saying? Not if I Am Legend was a real movie, Will Smith would have fucked that mannequin.
Hell yeah. What? He would have fucked the shit out of that mannequin.
He would have cut a slit in this, put some Vaseline, and just went to town.
A little dish glove?
With a flavor town like fucking Guy Fieri. Loaded up with the donkey sauce.
Imagine it was just us and Guy Fieri, the last niggas on earth. Damn, someone gotta be a woman. Would that be lit or
zero rules apply?
Oh no!
Oh shit!
Damn, niggas Tristan Guy Fieri? No!
No, stop! No, like Nah, man, like that would be terrible. Imagine like we're trying to survive, and like I find like a run over pheasant or some shit, and I give it to him to cook, and he brings it back with like donkey sauce and mushrooms and cheddar. I'm like, we can't survive.
We can't survive like this.
You use all your rations.
After
like
2 months, after 2 months, there's no more cheese in the country.
Yo, Guy Fieri, come on the show.
Come on the show, my guy.
Do not forget, we are working. The Bodega Boys present the first annual Guy Fieri Con.
That's right.
We are going to dress up like Guy Fieri and go on bar crawls and scare the shit out of people.
Right.
All right. All you need is like the fucking Ray-Bans, like a shirt with flames on it.
In conjunction with Cuckold Fest.
Cuckold Fest. Cuckold Fest is coming, yo. I don't want to spill the beans, but Cuckold Fest is coming back strong. All right. We got the full completion tent. All right.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Astroglide and Baja Blast Nachos. Cuckold Fest. Bring a friend.
In Qdoba. Shout out to Qdoba.
Cuckold Fest.
At Richmond Park. Yo, are you gonna rebrand now that Chipotle is getting all this bad press?
You know what? I like the young Chipotle name that Krishan stole from me. By the way, she stole it from me like a couple years ago. She changed her Twitter name to it after like the 3rd episode of DVM.
Wow.
See how we move the culture? Whatever. She broke though. But
I was gonna say, I had no idea she did that because as soon as like
but
bitch like 2008.
You know what? I have not eaten Chipotle I haven't eaten Chipotle yet. In 2016?
2016?
No.
Oh man, what do you mean? You're going.
You know, I'm not even afraid of the E. coli. It's just, you know, like
you know what's? You know what I mean?
I called myself Young Chipotle because I was so broke. Chipotle used to be a treat.
A treat.
Chipotle, literally, I could not afford
It was like
Chipotle.
your Roots Chris.
Exactly.
You know
it was like, you know, I had bills
It was
and
your
shit,
Lugers.
but I was like, yo, fuck it, I'm gonna get Chipotle.
Fuck it.
Now Chipotle's like,
You ever because I know those struggles, but you ever order like a big ass delivery meal and the shit ends up being like $35 and you're just like, damn.
But then you think about it.
Niggas gonna cut my cable off in a month.
Yeah. Listen. Look, I survived for several months on just honey buns. So,
oh man.
You know, I'm never going back to that.
No.
All right.
Shout out to Spaghetti and shout out to Latino mothers for always letting you come in their house and letting you steal their food.
Also, Jamaican mothers,
You know
immigrant parents, I feel did that.
Yeah.
Like, listen, my mother, I was showing up at my mother's house and just like walking out with all the cold cuts.
All type of
She
shit.
know what it was.
Yeah. She's like, yo, it's 2 of y'all here, but you still going to Costco, so I'm gonna help you out. Yo, shout out to all the brolic blocks of mozzarella cheese I took from my mom.
Listen, just follow your dreams, man. One day you could be like us. You too can be at 220 West 18th Street hosting a fire podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
That is only 200,000 SoundCloud listens away from the million mark.
Nice. Let's get it up there. Yo,
Get it up there, man. Listen, this is only episode 13. We about to hit a million.
Woo.
A million, dog.
Strong.
Why? Because we got the best fans in the world. And we don't make stuff for people who don't like the Bodega Boys. If you like the Bodega Boys,
you like us.
We tailor this just for you.
That's right.
We were reading the comments and someone's like, yo, Mero's not funny. His impressions go too long. I don't like Desus. He doesn't pronounce shit right. Guess what?
Fuck you.
Fuck you. That's our answer. Did you want a dignified answer? Did you want a rebuttal with talking points and key points in the TED Talk?
No.
Go fuck yourself.
Yeah, go fuck yourself.
All right. This is an uncomfortable podcast.
That's right.
And maybe you have to turn it down while you're listening.
Right.
But when you crack up while you're listening to it in your headphones, you know we put out the most fire art for you.
You already know that.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Our dedication.
And like my man said, this shit is uncomfortable. It's all about discomfort. Why you think you listen to this shit on your way to work on the train?
You know what? Because the discomfort lets you know life is real.
It's
the same way when you hold your bowels for 3 days because you're with your blizzard boo. All right? And you're like, maybe I might die of dysentery. But
fuck it.
He's worth it.
I'm Oregon trailing it.
And he's kissing you on your neck and you're in the bed and he's about to beat that pussy up. You're like, please, God, don't let me turn this to Brownsville. And you know what? These are the sacrifices we do. Why? Because God is working on us.
All the
and
time.
so is K2.
That's right.
And Red Bull, the sponsors.
That's right. Holla.
Red Bull is launching they're launching someone to the sun next month.
Oh, that's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be lit.
Yeah, they're doing a lot of things. They're launching the guy to the sun. They got the guy. He's now gonna jump off Mars.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying, and fly down.
They
on
have
the
the baby Flugtag in Germany.
That
That's
shit
gonna
is
be great.
gonna be lit.
It's
That
gonna
shit
be
gonna be
great.
lit.
Just tossing babies into the water.
Yeah. Yeah, and that shit is dope because they're doing the baby Flugtag and the baby hang gliding tournament in the same day. That shit is gonna be super lit.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Yeah, it gives you wings.
Give your baby some Red Bull.
You know what I mean?
Just put a nipple on top of a Red Bull and feed your baby.
There's people in like West Virginia doing that right now.
Feeding the baby Red Bull and meth. Shout out to West Virginia. Shout out to West Virginia. There was someone. Shout out Mississauga as always.
Okay.
Shout out Birmingham, Leeds.
That's right.
Peckham.
You know what I mean?
Tottenville. Tottenham.
That's right.
Up in
Tottenham.
Adele.
Tottenham.
Adele's hometown.
How do you say that in British?
What? Tottenham.
Tottenham.
Tottenham. Tottenham.
I gotta
It's
get
garage,
some-
isn't it?
Hey. Shout out to Britain for having like a fox infestation.
It's not
Or
fox.
lions?
We talked about this. That's the thing. It's
that's
the
right.
fox.
Oh, that's the symbol of their country.
It-
Like New
no,
York
they
is the
have
pigeon.
foxes. Is New York the pigeon? Yeah,
It is.
Yeah.
What else? Pizza rat. Now y'all niggas want it to be pizza rat, and it's the
Yeah,
pigeon.
the
It's the
pigeon
rat and
and
the
the
pigeon.
rat.
Oh,
Yeah.
look the pigeon and
The
rat
rat.
shirt hugging.
Yeah, listen.
Beautiful.
That's cool. You know, pigeons are disgusting.
Yo, I'll take that though. I'll take a pigeon or a rat as a New
Yeah.
York icon.
You know,
Pigeons,
'cause
because
you
they're
know
both
what?
disgusting, but they're both mad resourceful, and they will both fuck you
because
up.
a pigeon will survive the same way you have to survive. You gotta get it how you live, Playboy.
Might have to eat some Newports.
You know what I'm saying? Might have to eat another pigeon.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
Fuck it.
You ever see a rat dragging another rat behind the staircase?
Uh-huh.
He ain't about to do some like sex shit.
No.
He about to eat that motherfucker.
He's about to eat that motherfucker.
Because that's New York. It's killer be killer, baby.
Killer be kill, my nigga.
You gotta,
Yo.
you gotta have that killer instinct.
Uh-huh.
All right?
Like the hyena that stuck his head in the elephant's ass.
and
Remember
just
that?
ate it. Just kept eating, chewing. Then he backed up after his ass exploded because it was decomposing. That's what being in New York is like. And we love it. And we don't want to live nowhere else. Well, you want to
That's
live in
right.
Bergen County.
Well, I mean, because it's close to the head. It's like the hyena's head was in the elephant's ass. Right now I got my head in the elephant's ass.
Mm-hmm. Right.
I want to just pull out the elephant's ass and just admire the ass.
You've never pulled out anyone in your life before.
No, never.
Never.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm learning new things.
I can't. I know it's just I know it's like either this week or next week. You're just gonna walk in and be like, "Yo,
Yo,
she's pregnant again."
number 5.
I know.
Mero 5.
I can't wait. 'Cause you're gonna-
apologize to Mero 5.
You're gonna say that, and I'm gonna have like 3 pairs of sneakers in my hand. Like, yo. Oh man,
Oh my god.
this is an extra long edition.
That's right.
Wait, we still got some time, right? We got 12.
Oh shit.
You know what?
We got 15 more minutes for you motherfuckers.
10 more.
10 more.
10 more. 10 more.
Sam's like, yo, chill, dog. I got
We
a
got
fucking
10
cigarette.
more Latin inches for you. Shout out to Latin inches.
Shout out to Latin. Yo,
I used to work at a party called Poppycock.
Shout out to Poppycock.
No, don't shout it out.
No, shout out to
It
Poppycock.
was very dark, and I couldn't use my flashlight, so I would just stay by the door because I wasn't trying to find out what the fuck was going on.
No,
and they
no,
had
you
like
don't want to.
curtains hanging and shit. Shit was like, listen, New York is pretty wild.
New York was disgusting.
New
Yo,
York
y'all
is
don't even
wild.
know, man.
We
New York
talking-
is still disgusting. Don't get it twisted. It's still disgusting.
but it used to be on a much more disgusting level.
Yo,
like
yo,
you
niggas don't even know.
like having sex in payphones.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm
niggas, yo. Remember Hookers to the Point?
Yeah,
Remember that?
yeah.
Yo, y'all niggas don't know.
Remember
If you don't know-
schoolgirl, the school teacher.
Yo,
in Hookers by Point.
She had no teeth. She take out her dentures.
Yeah,
yo,
and she had the glasses, but she
fam,
suck you off mean.
Go watch that. If you niggas want to know about the Bronx in that era, go watch that
Hooker
shit.
from the Point. Remember dude that at the end and he fucks the chick and then the condom breaks right as he nuts, but he's mad nonchalant about it, and she's like, "What the fuck?" And he's like, "Yeah, the condom broke." And he's fucking her behind a dumpster.
Nah.
Oh man.
Nah, you gotta be a real savage to be fucking a hooker from Hunts Point behind the dumpster. The condom breaks and you show no emotion.
Nah, listen.
You're just like, yo,
That's how. That's Hunts Point, baby.
if I dies, I dies.
Oh man, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? New York City's lit.
it's like Groupon for HIV.
HIV? You got Rich Jamaica. No, he said HIV.
HIV.
Yeah. Speaking of that, remember the
Speaking of what?
Speaking of HIV. Oh my
The new
god.
sponsor.
New sponsor. Yo, but I feel we talked about this somewhere else, but it wasn't on anything. It was like just random conversation. But that song, America is dying slowly.
From
That's
Wu-Tang
from
Clan
Wu-Tang.
to raise AIDS awareness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was on the radio. I was like, damn, this is
Yeah.
mad depressing.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. It was.
We also discussed whether or not TLC's Waterfalls. Were you saying that it was not depressing or that it was depressing?
I did. Oh, because we watched it in
video,
the office.
right, yeah.
I didn't think it was, but now looking back at it,
You see the light?
wow,
Yeah.
wow,
How
that's
depressing
a
was that?
depressing ass video.
Fam.
Like she
Have
was giving
unprotected
it,
sex once, you getting AIDS. Yo, go outside in the hood, you getting shot.
we gotta find a balance
Yeah.
because you can't have people. You have people out here like, scared to death to have unprotected sex.
Right, yeah.
And you have other people here like, fuck it, it's lit.
Yeah.
Shout out to the sponsor.
Yeah.
You gotta find a. You have
gotta
to
find a happy middle ground.
Happy middle ground.
Yeah.
Also, there's the whole problem with once you have unprotected sex, you can never go back to condoms because you're always gonna be like, "Yo,
shit is
I remember when I dropped the top on this Corvette
Oh,
on
man.
the Autobahn,
And
but
now-
now I'm back in bumper to bumper traffic on the 405." You know what I'm saying?
Damn, that was bad Hollywood.
That's so Hollywood. That's fucking shout out to Kanye.
Yeah.
But
Oh
yeah,
man, that's so real. That's a perfect analogy.
someone said they were working on a new condom, and I'm just like
For what?
how? Like how
Why?
can your condom get better?
Why do you need? Yo, here's a new piece of plastic to put on top of your dick.
What? Because you like, I was wondering maybe you could like super glue the eye of your dick so no cum comes out.
True, but then what would happen?
You'd probably die.
You die.
Yeah.
You get the wild like fucking shit would like bubble up on some
Yeah.
other hernia on the cum hernia. Like that's disgusting.
Oh.
On your thigh or some
Cum
shit.
hernia.
You gotta pop it.
Sorry guys, I can't come to work today. I have a cum hernia.
You got a cum cyst.
Just pop it, leaks out.
Gross.
Damn. That's why I just have sex with real dolls. It's Hollywood.
Yo, shout out to Real Doll. Yo, Real Doll gotta send us each a real doll of our choosing,
Yes.
so I could just have it in my house and creep my wife out.
How would you have your real doll?
I would make it look exactly like my wife.
Yeah.
On a bad day, and just sit her on the couch and just scare the shit out of my wife every day.
Wow.
Because you know what I'm saying? It would be funny.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't actually fuck the real doll. My wife would be like, "Yo, you're a creep, nigga. You fucking a real doll in
we're
my
not,
house?"
We're not fucking the real doll.
I mean, I would do it just to do it, just to be like, "Yo, I fucked the real doll." You know what I'm saying?
I'd get one that looks like your wife too.
No, that's so weird. Don't do that.
Yes.
No, get one that looks like Victor or something.
No.
Get one that looks like Guy Fieri.
And I'd bring it over for like lunch.
Yeah.
And like you guys walk in, and I'm just like, oh, I'm sorry.
It has the mad sexy mouth. Ew,
Yeah.
gross.
But like, I like making your wife by making like mess with like the wild big boobs and the wild big ass, like the neck tattoo, just wild uncomfortable.
No.
She'd be like, Mero, make him take it out of here.
Move it out of here.
I'm like, come on, excuse me, we're not welcome here. I got real children like that look like your kids.
No.
I want your life. I want your life, Mero.
Like it's like Uncle T's is scaring us.
And then Olivia Benson was like, he was obsessed. He was obsessed. And I was like, I'm Mero.
You don't understand.
You don't understand. I'm married to her.
Directed by
Mero.
Speed Weed.
Dick Wolf. Dum, dum. This has been episode 13. I'm Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Mr. 1994, a.k.a. Chris Stats Porzingis. And we're still working on bringing back New York Undercover. God damn it.
That's right. Shout out to Dick Wolf. We're going to holler at you. Does he even have a real Twitter?
He does, but he doesn't check because he's so rich he doesn't need Twitter.
He
Because
doesn't
Twitter is
need
for broke people
right.
to complain about being broke.
That's right.
Oprah ain't on Twitter.
Nope.
Oprah goes on Twitter like, yo, here's my fucking show. Watch it, you peon.
Fucking jerks.
I'm going to go smell my genetic modified roses.
Her assistant.
What is it?
Sends that tweet out.
Beyonce and Jay-Z laugh at Twitter.
Come on.
All right? I'm sure Blue Ivy was like, what's Twitter? And they just slapped her in the face.
Don't ever say that word.
Don't ever
again.
say that word in this house.
That will never be spoken of.
Whose baby
in
is
the Carter
this?
residence?
Whose baby is this? And Sean's like, Beyonce, that's us. As always, shout out to Red Bull, the sponsor.
You know what I'm
visit
saying?
them at 220 West 18th Street or visit them on Twitter and Instagram on RB Studios NY.
That's right, you cowards. And peacing out. Finally, we're gonna see you next time.
Pray
We're not
for
even
us.
gonna tell you.
Pray that we get on these flights.
Oh,
and
yeah, that's
we
true.
don't die like, what was that guy that died? Roberto Clemente? And Buddy Holly and all them?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Doug, if we died on a plane, damn.
That'd be whack.
Yeah,
I want
that's
that like a shootout
that's
or
a
some
wild
shit.
understatement. That'd be whack.
Yeah.
But if we died, like, make sure we're a trending topic for mad long. And you have our permission to act like you knew us if you followed us on Twitter.
Make up stories, all that. Yeah.
Just lie about shit.
Yeah,
Be like,
yeah.
yo, my nigga Desus, I remember that time we went to fucking Akron.
Yo, we was in South by.
Yeah,
And yo, we
damn.
fucking Triz Taylor Swift shit was
Yeah.
so ill,
Yeah.
man. Yo, these is drinking Fireball straight out the bottle. Niggas is wildin'.
Shit was lit.
That part is true.
That was true. That was true. It's on my Instagram.
Hey, that's right, yo, boys. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, Kid Human Direct Five. We're gonna get the fuck out of here.
Next time we'll be coming to you live from LA, nigga. Oh, all right, cuz I got my Jerry Curl Washington Sarah set right now.
Hey, player. I might do the intro next week, cuz.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. You know who it is, dog.
Oh shit. It's James
Ow.
Davis. We out.
Peace.